First round, 20-minute round. Yo,
we welcome from New York, King
Addies.
Just so? We starting just like that? All right. I don't know. Good night, people. It's been a whole year since you hear from me. Big up to all of the fans them tonight. Soul G, finger upon the trigger. Big up to all the whole of the sound them. Poison down, big up yourself, Stonewall, the whole team. Bright light, take that down, man. Come on, man, it's too bright. Big up to the crowd round there, so they can't take a step forward, you know. Everybody just take a step forward, man. Come on. Place too scanty in front. Somebody take a step forward, man. Ladies, if you look good, you can't take a step forward. Rude boy, step forward with the girls, them. Big up to all of the thugs, them, the whole of Antigua, big up yourself. Tonight, I ain't come here to play with this. Tonight is a serious one. Big up to the sounds that we play earlier. Rapture, all of the sound them. Big up. Big up to the whole of Antigua. The way how I now play with them tonight, this is how I'm going to start the clash. From early. Rhythm. Soldier shot.
Like Nike, we know we a cap left 2 shot and them I like is tear chaps. Mad and bad. Yo, King Addies.
From early.
Anything we hear, no man's boss.
Speed up.
Just do it. Turn up the bass, start bounce. Yeah, boom.
I ain't come here to play with the dogs tonight. Ready?
Head top, look out, dog, never lie. Bad like a ballin', juvenile, and on the escape with the juvenile.
Always a sitting with King Addies. Pussy made Senate and Netherland. Left him body stink like alligator pan. The war hot, swiggy we are the weatherman. A son boy shoulda drop the berry hat. A1, I go kill a man. So him circle him ends like the later man. Kingpin, set up and make a jam black real fast.
Hey, King Addies pull up her 20 Matica spark. Lens, empty barrel attack. How will them say?
Blaze up, 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 blaze up. King Addies pass through. You can't breathe, can't met up in night road. They can't sleep, a song boy in night road. King
Addies. Hello, everybody run a reel. Watch your pussy then. Them a clap on you dead, them a pussy friend. No matter what you do, them say you never. King Addies, them not rate you. Aye, King Addies don't want none of them pussy there for rate with. I be a bad mind thing I go on.
Soldier, don't waste time, shoot to kill.
I King Addies, some sound, them a follow, yeah. Take a year off, I live in the aircraft. From we say breeze, everybody full of beer sauce. We are the baddest, we don't know where them here off. Yo, King Addies, make them know say yo. Chop, back on the streets, chop on the seat. Yeah, no black wallaby, that on a week. You love, shot parakeet, lock up your big bacon.
Bacon. Hey, you know see the pussy them up, so we give them everything in the clip. Addies.
Hey, King Addies. I don't want them to
early out and thing, we now waste no time with this, you know.
King Addies are shooting, pop it off, I don't care who see. Hear me no King Addies. Talk some pussy does attack, pop it off from close. Coffin talk or us. Watch you walk and pose. White shark and ghost. Hey, King Addies. Them talk about it, them talking it. Hey, I miss everybody up. Give them a open date. Everybody up, love it up. Yeah, give them a open date. When me do, I go and spend a couple down plate. Make it club shit. Live in legend on the asphalt.
Levels, don't mix here. Tonight me feel like this clash should not be boring. Some of these songs is stuck in 1996. They don't play the new rhythms, they don't play the new song them. Them soon forward with the culture rhythm, the Far East rhythm, them forward with a bag of whole blood clot rhythm. Later on, King Addies will play some of the anthem them. But for right now, me just feel like we'll have some of new dub them. Shoot to kill.
The time I'm on a 1 minute spelling, man. Hey, King Addies.
Yo, chemist! Anywhere!
King Addies. We have big guts, we have long clip. Yeah, style King Addies.
Level!
Drive by anytime.
Be a citizen, me, I tell you this from now.
Can't kill King Addies from Brooklyn. You ain't no good kid, pull trigger, pull pin, run out a full clip. King Addies rifle them time.
So what you don't waste time, shot!
One rifle need. Sanakada.
Shot!
Lyrical Glock. Soldier vibes. Bully. Yo, King Addies. I want a rifle need. Anyone who bind to squeeze it.
Yo, Soldier vibes. Shut a man, no one will pick up them girl later, you know. Tell a son boy say they made we bunks. Yo, King Addies, we have money, yo, dogs and guns. Sick in our head, cause you know we ban guns. Say your body better no shot bun. When I kill Shana, we go fuck up them fun. Put up and panic care.
People at the first round, they ain't play yet. So I don't have nothing to say to them yet. When them forward in and say what them have to say, we can't talk no. You understand? For the first round, I just have to take my time and beat some song. Shoot again.
Hey, rise up a 4-4. Me dog them a killer in a real life.
Shot!
King Addies. So boy I feel rest in peace. Right foot on and he take it peace. Left your chest in peace. Should do this King Addies from the West Indies. When you the 6 feet. Pretty casket when you get feed real.
So what you don't waste time, kill them.
King Addies, he kill them for free.
Tell the bad from rich bag. Till I hook you in a one tip dog. Like Chinese pass for the clip dog. Shove it up and make a
You see the artist here? Him lock up in New York City. Well, him lock up in America, I should say. All the real chronic law, put your gun finger in the ear right now. All the real law boss, player!
I saw this scheme said we see 16 and I read 15 yet. Crime scene and never no movie. I make we see real blood. There's some around flesh.
Lights up the touch!
Gunshot on rat. We see man I use and I try stop gunshot. Family stop, family long sponcha.
When you see Addies, no!
We lose now things, but never yet a clash. We feel empty.
Level! Soji, find me a next bad chronicler. No.
Lord, me I beg you this. Please don't make them catch you with no empty clip. Please don't make them catch you with nothing where stick. Show me who genuine. Calm up paranoid to everything. Long time in no sleep when me live, Lord, me I beg you. Cover me, can't let you rubber grip.
Level!
Can't find love a bit, can't trust nobody. The rough road, yeah.
Level! I ask all the red chronicler, me see 4 and go up. I'ma ask again. Round you, so all the red chronicler, put your gun finger in the ear. Don't take them down. Over yes or no? All the red chronicler, 2-1. Ready?
I mean I say, oh King Addies, yo Kingpin.
Just it tonight.
We keep we eyes one in the head of them a tick because we don't know when them a go switch. King Addies, with them know about 6, just call me anytime you see the target. Make man put one in a them head top. One time I smile with man and one.
Level! Me not start playing a song yet. It's early.
You think them see no gun and we avoid yet? When me go for boy, you know, graveyard step. Turn it over there, so what? Flame ya get. Turn it on again, I just place where I wreck. Pussy say them bad King Addies, must in a them dream. Hate in a face as them wake ya get. Genocide around the fucking place, down check. Tell you where them dead and put the lace nine crap. King Addies gun in a park, nah shit, nah sweat. Kick off door, bust head blood, that's the carpet. Tell a boy, don't be every day we a make.
Hey, wait up, yo, ready?
This is how nothing dead, me gun turn on. Put a face and run my gun.
Wait, look. They asked if it's a 3-round lock-off rule. And I said, nah. We are going to play from the start to the finish of the darts. So tomorrow morning, when me kill BSI to see again, the people can say,
me overdo it. Me put the cape and repeat. Pull it in her face and her feet. Left shell on the street. Make base for the seat.
Antigua tonight!
Empty the Mark 19 on your face and gone.
Level! Don't mix it yet. This is the King Addies side over here, so. Over here looks like it's the bass Odyssey side. Jazzy, move from here, so. Tolo, move from here. GS, I do one of the artists, they move. Can you see what me start? Shot!
Shot a left the gun and every man a collect some. Anybody run, I get it, anybody run. Get a balance, if you remember say that's my this son badness, them a copy so be pierce the dog in a the ground. King of this parliaments a fuck gunshot in head. Them think them bad, them a kingdom, them give them coffee bun. No juvenile can no whisper, we lock
Level! You soon hear the pussy come up here and talk about time shot. Won't worry yourself. I'm a sniper. When my blood clot shoot me no miss. Pussy!
I ain't at the right place. I ain't at the right place.
Level!
I ain't at the right place.
Level! It is early. We not run down the anthem them yet. We are just beat some song with the people them go party and listen to. No music for play.
With the whites, no lack of stove. Out and kitchen now, sharp close. 17 shoot off a shut off a nose. King of this.
What them see me?
Yeah, me killer, yeah, me killer. Glass off a toast. Killer, yeah, me killer. Gun pop off for most. Rich long time when I chat on no boss and we no mix and mingle. Remember we full of chips like Pringle. Run the matic pass single. Hole in a face like dimple. Pussy, crew in a face. Come a wrinkle, young skull with the 7.
The artist here represent Queens, New York. Me want to play that tune. Antigua, you know that one, yeah?
Well on, oh that I walk round with them to gun, clear them off for the half king of decent for some. Talk them a talk, we kill them for fun. Pussy walk with a tall rifle, tear you down. Turn up in the war, we not prepare for run. Boy, mama for ball, king of these, them a come a rough.
You see what me turn on my anthem them later, you see it, yeah?
Well on, me turn it on and the whole place fuck up.
Ready?
If I got ball and left hole in a shop.
Ready?
Your mother want you should know you're not up.
People will not waste that short.
Check. Bad man, me on the tone, bro.
Lord big breeze.
Blood clot in the side, it's up high, bro.
Hide them hard, pussy in the sugar, the man. Lord big breeze.
No, Jesus Christ. Please stop it capping. Hey boy, please stop it capping. King of this kill.
All the red squash, what's up, black now?
Top cap of them, I see a top cap of them. Now below, and them can't buy a bed. Hype them hype. With them friend things, we no frighten if we boy not a link. Them pussy on the cash. Broke where you up, what you know about.
Sorted! Short!
King Addies. Maddest
Coffee! Big up yourself, governor!
Man, you know it's in the go. Yo, Kingpin. Mad same thing. So to them know it.
Antigua!
Nico Glock. You know what you think? Yo, King Addies. No sound of talking at these place. Bust it in a face, boy, got drop on ears. Pussy they don't stop like madman play. Kingpin with the Hong Kong gear. Think alpha pussy stiff breast them love straight. Love talk of them shoulda make it club stay. King Addies. Who want no sound, no ball, no sound, no back. Wanna jump out with the 6 fans. Shot sound on the response. 15 the young.
Lord and that's what it. All of a sudden I'm going good night first round, but it's early black. Let me see what going on. It's early when I run down the regular them. Play a song.
Yeah, me I say the man Kingpin, Nico Glock, Soldier vibes. By one side till the land.
Tonight what them say? What them say?
Yeah, me talking of this. Call it bro if you don't call it love. One aim at the riches I'm a target up. King of this dog it up. See my family suffer cause me that broke. Pay up a chase me that fast to fuck. Fling up a cast and me kill a blast chop.
Antigua! Ready!
Lord, lucky business. King of this.
Lord and that. Last year La Playa, this artist was booked, but he couldn't get in the country. All the way the artists, what them call Jamal 39.
For the bag we never fumble. Dark with dark and we no humble. Did I fi kill a son nowhere to run to? I'm from Black Eyed Dance, look where the sound do. I'm from Black Eyed Dance.
And early enough.
These are play a sound I dead to. Put a 3-story house in a jungle. Tell the squad
every hustler.
Easy. Big bumbo clad giant in a Kingpin phone. Now when in call another y'all tone and kill a sound boy fast. When he dance in a real wars. When the dog knock on the client door.
All of the bass fans, 2 in a year. 3 people. All of the King of these fans, them 2 in a year. So that means so we're good tonight. Sean!
Gunman ready for do the action.
Run them black.
Run them black. Do the long chat.
Antigua!
King of this sound, run them black. When you pull up, boy, you get gunshot. I'm balling out the clip, come back. Them a go fuck up in ya. Drift. King of these, I go fuck up in ya. Acha, oh no, Kiba, can't stop. King Addies in ya, them a bad man, killer.
Level.
Move us so we rock us so we sip liquor. Move.
I'ma ask again. All the red chronic law bust your gun. Shut in our ear now. Law boss.
King Addies, badness upgrade long time. I'm Mary Jeans, I carry the Glock fine. King Addies, tell them see I'm blind. Me away,
Dim the light then, man.
Boom.
Ready.
I for one more gun there. We bring them on in the daily Sundays. A couple broom sweep on the ground. There's a umbre number that
level.
Sound love free.
Level.
Rich badness.
Somebody told me Chronic Law is one of the biggest artists where Antigua love. Lord or not. All who want your next bad Chronic Law, say yes. Say yes. Yeah. So I just shoot.
Hey, Kingpin, 100 murderer walking us up. Bad man, bad like Claude in my up. Any in a cup, pussy Claude if a bus.
Antigua!
King Addies no go nowhere if we can't bring a gun. Plain me and brand up it, then the party mash up. Glock 34 and the 40 a bus. Full of Louis V shoes.
Level.
King Addies.
Level. Lord and not Soji. People, there's a reason why I'm playing these songs. Every clash you listen to, everybody's playing the same set of tune them. And the new music and the new artists them now get no blind. Bounty killer all the time. Cartel all the time. Nothing wrong, you know. But sometimes you have to let in the young youth them. All who say young youth forget a blind eye business. 2 and eye blood clot here. All the red skipper bust a shot.
Dad, you kill a sound boy again. Jump out and you smelling like a millionaire. Designer boots and you switching the pairs. Bad picture suck it out for Brazilian. You kill a next sound and you no care. Be a bad dub, you get
level.
Skip up.
Generous. That one your request. Press.
Hey, Nico. Yeah.
Get me on the beat, so it's a banger.
Pickle sound, me go there, man, never ready. Never ready, man, never ready. Enemies who want me war with dead already.
Tonight!
Walk out with the stick, Addies walk out with the stick.
Boom! Antigua. It is early. Them say 5 rounds and then tune for tune. Now make no man come up here and play the same fucking set of song them all the time. One thing about bass Odyssey, if them play a red and white party, them play the same way. If them play in a clash, them play the same way. If it's a baby shower, them play the same way. Y'all get the same set of fucking song all the time. Tin, 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 clean up your heart. We're tired of it now, man. We want some new song from the song. Give me the Cartel Witch League, quick and fast, man. You see tonight, you see them pussy there.
King Addies, you know. Dead, you're dead, sound boy, dead, you're dead. Dead, you're dead, sound boy, dead, you're dead. Dead, you're dead, sound boy, dead, you're dead. King Addies, we a real bad man, them a camouflage. Have you ever seen a killer sound dog? Step in your yard, touch on your dirty jars. Too stuck in your fucking heart. And which lead them a play, them a juggle.
You know what, though? You know what, though? Level. You know I'm a far way for kill the pussy them. Listen, tune.
What am I saying?
Tune.
Yo, King Addies sound. Yo, one rifle, one matic in a dog. No, another. Enough rifle, enough matic in a dog. King Addies tonight. Jump and dead from we press trigger. Run up and kingpin a dead picker.
Coffee, big up.
Your dogs
big
are
up.
On the low
Play me artist again.
King Addies have scope on the clock. So we gun sound when it clap. Wap.
Ready.
King Addies chop off a head with the chopper. 16 chopper, long like quacker. King Addies run out again with the bomber. Head tap splatter, pussy face. Well on King Addies not afraid that then look man like how we hear case stronger. We hear him pan the one on. Head tap bust off again like dragon. Pussy face shatter, built-in hammer.
You know what to? Play that last song on the rhythm. And we are gonna switch it real quick. Which artist locked down the place last night? Big up Idonia. Big up Skipper. Starkey, big up yourself. But the artist locking with all of them. All the red alkaline. Bust that shot. Rhythm.
Killer B, New York. King Addies, them no bad like you, you know. Champion sound, you know the damn thing got.
pan a podium and singing anthem to Flatbush, 90s, Van Shella, we are the goddamn boy. King of the sound, them a champion boy. You have a rich girl in the young dance boy.
Yo, check so check.
See them, start war and I run them, you want call boom. Roberto Carlos hard boss. Did the sex so we don't worry, don't can boss. Boy skin good and tougher than hard. When me cell phone them, make a small call. King of this roll out couple tall. Down with back.
People, watch how me I do this. Yo, Javi, you see the first set of tune them you have on your playlist? May I get rid of them in 39 seconds. Them gone. Chode. Rhythm.
Worries and grinding.
You sit tonight. Damn.
Worries and problems.
Shot.
Why, yeah.
Level.
Oh, yeah.
I'ma help you get rid of it. Sean!
Don't go tell them, say go clean up the march and come.
Jam sniper. Swoogie.
Level! Yo. All who know you're not afraid of nobody, put your gun finger in the ear now.
Just station. King of these, the Lord. Things will help us out.
Time. Watch it. Look at that one. That one here. You see them? Time.
Kill some boy.
Cut. Time. At the controller, you know, and I mean, you know. The controller, wasn't me. Time. Hold on, people who wasn't me is the controller. I'm sorry for the controller, it wasn't us.
Alright, the last song we play was Walk With Them Casket.
Hold on.
Alright.
Hear this now, Addies. Because fear is fear. If bass Odyssey do the same thing, we have to just load them. Because I saw it go, if we make it fair, right, Jazzy?
Time.
So you hear me now?
When you see the clock go 0.
That's it, time.
That is it.
We make the song that I play go to the punchline, and that is it.
Yeah, because if a song I play and it there's 0, we have to make the song.
We have to make the punchline forward.
Alright.
Then record. Alright?
Cool.
What you listen now?
Give it up for King Addies.
Make sure,
First round.
make sure everything will work proper.
We'll make sure that this will work proper.
I mean, big up everybody in that place. Don't know the thing, but I don't, yeah. Skip on the whole family, them there. I mean, Govy, the whole crew. So I'm telling you, tonight is a different kind of clash. 20 minutes first round, 20 minutes second round, 15 minutes third, 15 fourth, 10 fifth, and then 10 song tune for tune. There is no lack of rule, so them a play till the last dub. Play! Everything good, Jazzy?
Hold on, I'm gonna fix it.
Killing machine, this bomber clad. From one bomber clad column. From one bomber clad column.
Big up Climax sound. Now like the sound a bit.
Yeah man, big up Climax.
So everything good now? Everything set? Bass Odyssey tell you when you're ready. Remember the time start.
Ready?
The clock start when the first song play. Alright, you got the microphone?
Set that to me. This is a one world thing, you know. One to it.
Pin with the microphone.
One to it.
Oh. Hold on.
Yeah.
Make sure it's proper.
Yo.
All right.
Everybody in Antigua.
Make some noise and welcome all the way out of the country. Bass. Odyssey.
And the Rona, we not judge the Rona.
Killing machine, this bomber
Yeah,
clad. From one
Odyssey.
All right, Jazzy. Yeah. Thank you very much. Good night, Jenko people. Got the fucking two eat that them take the beat. Remember me telling us a soldier can't war me, you know. And him put him friend out here tonight, the dread. So we are going to pies with the blood clot dread tonight. Tonight. Come here, my talk about bass and this play one way everywhere. Monday, Tuesday. Where him a play? Ask him. People, tonight a war me come. Me no come a Pitney war. Kingpin, you can't study this. National
Represent the country now.
World premiere on Bass Odyssey sound. Instead of group your ARP, I come shock out for the Bass Odyssey sound. Still something ARP. Bass Odyssey. Oh mama way oh. Bass Odyssey. Oh mama way oh.
What the country people them there? What the country people them there? What the country people them there? Who is in town?
Bass Odyssey. Oh mama way oh.
National. Get to blood clot work, but them now waste no time.
This is
a war will come tonight. All who come for Sunday, let me see the end there. Yo, Antigua, pussy war, kingpin. Know what this?
Early sound class morning, bass at this.
Bad sound in town.
Whoa.
Level National.
Them no bad like bass.
A first missing them two send two rascal attack up and kill one man. National.
We see that them a send this time. Yes, I did say young.
I'm a Murray, you know. Step up.
Level National. Pussy soldier. Are you force me a kill? Take that one, you dirty boy.
The age of 16, yes, I did see boss in the 16.
Level National. Level National.
Yes, I did see.
Dirty kingpin. That one here fear pussy.
Yes, I did see we are come from real bad life.
Spread the glory, yeah, Maria, yeah.
Level National.
Listen, you already.
National level.
With the broad eagle, like.
Buckland. You see when me kill the two of them. You see Sunday morning. Know this.
Tell them. Bad man, salo. Bass and they see them a real killer. Bass and they see.
National. No boy can't program that song here. Listen me now. Me am come out here talk about on the down play some of them song there. Pussy, squinching never deadlift, none I blood clot song them for waste. And they not going and castic with none I dub them. Every one of them still there. Pussy me I go play a song when the whole are afraid. National, get to work.
It's the bass, so that's the thing, you know.
Hey yo,
sound boy killing.
Let me get to blood clot work.
For them running.
Let me get to work. Let me get to work. How this? How this?
And them, we got on them, we kill some, we defend them, we tie them up and let me little pop.
Level National, level. Pussy kingpin, yeah, your friend there.
None of them pussy, they not bad like we. None of them pussy, they not tough like we. None of them pussy, they not rough.
Oh, we're gonna run Bunty Killer joke tonight. All who want to hear some Bunty Killer, put your gun down in the ear. Who am I DJ in the National? Who are they?
Yes, I say, look into the dance, but them still don't see.
Level! National! Going on blood clot box now! No waste no time!
Yo, and the more them time to kill with, and the more we live longer.
Level National! From blood clot sentence to Portland! Listen me!
Them figure get well out them slip, them want to check it. That's the wrecking it when the battle on the sea level.
You could have sent the dog. You could have sent the truck. Pussy wall.
Me bust the 9mm with the hollow, plus the 45 calo. Brain fly like a swallow. Killer and me daddy, but me no follow no arrow. Follow copper black blood. No black tallow. So no.
Pussy kingpin. Anyway you see the red truck when my base at this. No pussy no walk across that. I could have the dog in the yard. I could have the puppy. I could have the nurse. I could have the daughter. Pussy wall.
Yes, I see. Me boss me one a gun, none of them no beg. So me no eat no bag of talk. This man no beg, not a tip. And the right to tip.
Oh, what the bad man do? Oh!
Yes, I see kill him, bend to the bend, bend to the bend, bend.
You want boy for dead? Who no want boy for dead?
Me ready for done for say. When me drink me no off it. Barrow guns and nobody. Bad man and no gun coffee. She want get the shot it. That turn over the ratty. Them can tell me Christopher, you got that way you karate cross. Don't fuss it. When we do it we no off it. Barrow guns and nobody. Odyssey them and no gun coffee. Maki the shot it. That turn over the ratty. No tell me if stop it.
National level. Level.
A
friend the pussy them a look. A good thing say me a bad boy in a real life. I wanna take program from no boy. Different from Blood Clot Vibes Cartel. I want artist alone me rate on the check shot from no boy. No pussy. Big up Diddy in my place. Based on this gunman Blood Clot DJ. What the bad people them there? Here.
Yes, Odyssey. Tell them no fuck with the bad man sound.
National. Listen me now. Tell Kingpin say I know one time war this new gunman pan the Blood Clot Black. You can't study this Kingpin. Every song where you plan for play where you say we are going to play. Play them Blood Clot from now. Start playing them from in your mind too. Cause me no want them. All I man them straight say bumbo clot. No. Me say every pussy clot man the straight say bumbo clot. No. All I man them know for Antigua will shoot batty boy. Put on the left hand so. Pussy who not play the song. Who not come up here run up and down like dog. National get to work. National get to work. National get to work. Get to work. Base Odyssey.
Base Odyssey, don't apologize to nobody, boy. If it is the sexy girls, them with gunshot your boy. But the way the girls because of them above the joy.
Level.
Can fire me dash your boy. Base Odyssey, don't apologize to nobody.
You call this combo to bumbo. Kingpin we asleep on that mama bed. Pussy one boy.
Hey, Base Odyssey, no apology. That a millionology. Mark never walk off from a psychology. No apology.
Showdown.
National, go for them. National, go for them. Go for them, National.
Have mercy. If I punch them, I must have the least. I just expose one them, I want them slip.
I want the Batman. I want the Blood Clot Batman.
Base Odyssey. No, them no take bad up. No, Philly. Him no take bad up. Him no worm. Them no take bad up. Yo, Base Odyssey. Yo, them a bad people. Boy, you be free.
National. Listen to me. Remember me have the earpiece here, so. A Batman Blood Clot sound a play. Big up the whole of country. We make everywhere as a country. Them boy are now set no pattern. Kingpin and Soldier play Blood Clot King of this. 25 years now. And the pussy them not set no marking of this. All they can do I come tell the boy you kill this. Pussy see the new gunman there you know. National Rifle behavior. National Rifle Blood Clot behavior.
Lungs and push me gold through the lungs. We have some guns. The nozzle them big like jump skin.
What kind of gun we have for you?
Base Odyssey guns.
National, me now waste a blood clot time. Get to work. Get to work. Yo,
it was an invasion.
Me tell us that them can't study this tonight. We are bringing it back when Squingy a kill sound and them song that them afraid of. Boy, you talk boy, my wait for me for talk. For say what you are say. You're not gunman. You not play gunman. National, a sentence blood clot killing sound this. I represent 14 parish them in Jamaica. Portmore Sue make 15. And if you wine and roll, we go with bad no blood clot. All who come from Antigua can defend themselves, push up your gun and so. Get to work, National.
You know, Vibes Cartel representing for Base Odyssey, you know, watching the mark. You may say no Squingy, aka Squingy in the war engine. Yo, Damian. You may say that with your box bomb bowl, you know, where me on.
A serious bomb clot war fight, you know. Hey, boy!
Hey, shoot that!
I wish boy you say bad. Push out your chest. Boy, keep it.
The war can't talk over me go nor by you. You know they don't run with your blood clots fly out.
What the gunman them from Antigua there? Guns down. Yo, hear me?
Yes, and this is him. Gun no stick and this stick a shot a stick in a boy. We no box and stick
a shot a stick in a boy. National level. What was the rifle behavior? Boy, everybody push on them rifle and so. Rifle me if you. Push on the rifle them so. Put them on.
Well, shut the fuck up, you can't walk me, you a delay, shut the fuck up. We kill sound boy, you police, shut the fuck up. Batting on the rest of the
National, get to her. Get to blood clot. Batman sound it out. Hey boy.
This a base and this is settings. Batman do action before we.
So you see up to the time and then them watch out.
Level. I told them said if you war with me. Pussy walls.
You get a 12 gauge when name Chester. Bust up your Chester. That's all the gun and load.
Me say, me tell them, say, don't send out dirty soldier, the paper soldier. Come me crush him. We want a good fight tonight. A gunman show me come here for. You come here and pick the birthday party. You understand me I say? People, this boy you know when him soldier, if I come here, the pussy does a chat so. Me say me I go kill him first. Me now waiting. Man I talk about first round. National, this is where them can't study. People, listen, blood clot man deal with war.
Hear me now? Yes, I do.
Blood clot. How are you? Come on. Yo, Antigua.
Yes, I do. So we born brave.
But I'm good. What? The one of them, pussy them. The one of them.
So we are here. Fan them.
What the Gaza people them there? The Gaza not there. The Gaza not there. What the Gaza people them there? Hey boy! National! A clocks me a blood clot wearing up. Step!
You are not done till the one of them dead.
Hey boy! How are you? How much of them? Call them up! Call them!
After we tell them, say, murder.
You think I'm dumpy show man come? Pussy put on a show! God them!
Mark.
Turn it up, National! Turn it up! Level! The boy in the road no killer joke tonight, you know. Killer strike the line in now. Hey boy!
Tell them no call with you if they don't want to get you, man.
Put value upon them, National! Put value upon them! Pussy, we run the world! Dirty kingpin!
One white punk, so no one to tread to it. But no bad sound,
National! Remember that juggle me come here for juggle, you know? A war me come here for fucking war, you know? You get what me I say? Alright. So since like the dreadlocks are dashed some songs since night. And him I say, based on this now playing a new song. See? I'm hearing him play one song. That means him couldn't find the next artist. Because the next artist don't rate him. So listen to me. Anybody have no pepper spray out there? Anybody have a pepper spray in the party? Can you lend me please for 1 minute? Come here, say them pepper spray somebody eye. National, get to blood clot work.
Antigua, right now based on the scene are killing fever. Ha! Where they saw him again? King Addies, King Malice, King Fralies, King what?
What the pepper spray there?
Spread the glory. Kitty.
What the pepper spray there?
Based on this, kill all sound. Remember them sound name?
Them pepper spray kingpin and Sochi eye.
Red light, pepper light, yellow light, blue. Based on this here, kill King Addies for true. Red light, pepper light, yellow light, blue. When for them sound play, all they get is boo.
National!
Be a king in the wire. Yeah, and then so near five.
Pussy wall!
You know it's in the streets.
And the singer you can't get. And this you can't get.
And we know we had the baddest. Soji a pussy.
Pussy and cost on this. Antigua!
So I think about this artist too. Them have to find you. Your father son clash with the waist man behind you.
National, the pussy them now playing an Antigua artist. Kingpin, what this?
We got boss sweet, no fuck. Happy time. Kingpin a suck girl pussy since kindergarten.
a one dopey and a dopey that. The bass a desi kill your sound and no other. 50 caliber you and your headshot. We a don't clap. If you this bass a desi, you go empty the clip inna your head back. No fire one pop, a hollow find that. If you see them, don't try this day man. Bass a desi kill sound that a headshot. Anytime a day bass a desi make para splash. We make it sitting up and never fire crack.
Pussy, are you ask you are? Are you ask you are?
Them gunshot inna them belelele. Give them gunshot inna them belelele.
Pull up national. Also we done a new song. Suck out the whole of New York, pussy. But we done a new song. You bad? National. Me I go play one gunman song now. Can me tell you say him can't study this, you know. He never see me on the battlefield yet. He can't study this. National. Shoot up blood clot New York.
Tell you about streets anywhere we go. Based on this, dog them serious. Based on this, we are nervous.
And the country sound this. All who represent country, put up your answer. What the country people them? Turn it.
I want dubplate it take fi make some like a jump and sound skull just get crack. You can't stop this of the seafood, me no matter how you and me no care about that. Can't talk in a Damien face. Say you run place, I run you run round that.
What the bad people them
back some sound only for a chat. And that's why them dead.
Level national. Pussy one soldier. When you see me call me by my last name, Mr. Stewart. Suck out blood clot Florida. I bat me bad. Pussy, you know me. National, get to work.
Yo, be a sadistic sound.
Get to work.
Father, any pussy this I get murder. Regular deal we rock it brother. Any pack of gravy near the body order. Be a high grade of smoke and never zaza. Selector get maga. Style of work accept me flaws and Billy.
Dance with us.
Work get the reward.
Level. Me power with gunman. Me power with thief. Sometimes me power with the police them, cause when we want information, the corrupt one them we give way. Yeah. But me now power with no boy when name soldier and now fire no gun. Him live in a gun state and not even one gun in his house. Pussy me come from a place named Maxwell Avenue, Kingston 13. We don't play with fucking people. Not even dog walk on the road 11 o'clock. Me say when you see me, call me by my last name. National, get to blood clot work.
What make them vex? True, we no make friend a dopey we make. We gone uptown with a little need prep. Gun pan belly, the Beretta never left. Government badness and jewelness.
Dirty boy!
Be so this we no left my dog when me roll out of the market. The pro, millions they beside jet. And the 9X, be so this is that. Fuck them family, make money like politics. Me know that I mash up them head. If me make one call.
Level! Big up Alkaline, click them in place. When I G them father, my father used to par. Gunman story. I done me born from. Me don't want a boy see me, I feel like a joke blood clot badness. If we're not doing musical, then we're doing musical. And if gunshot for fire, we're ready for fire that. And if big stone for fling, we're ready for fling that. And if cutlass for chop up, boy, we're ready. And the bad sound from sentence this. National, address that dirty boy, then name soldier again.
Hey, Fillmore, Kitty Kid, Harry kill a bumbo clap boy, and we no sorry feet. You know the badness, this is sound. Murder. BSRDC, we steady with the matic. Anyway, we see we enemy, we clap it, oh God.
Dirty boy!
Steady up, let's see bring it anyway. Outside and a bonus split. God save the king there with the rubber grip. You know what BSRDC, no fear nobody. Anyway, we go free boy with a new sitting to the.
What we do?
Funny, murder the fuck.
Stop it! Since I should ask a blood clot song, come here, hold on pass on song, you know. But sing someone asks about song. National, one bad sound left in a blood clot the world, and a bass of the sea. National, customize the one you know.
Yeah, that. Dead brother original.
Them pussy you can't cut song. Antigua.
Bass of the city, are you ready? Antigua ready, face of this ready to kill King Addies tonight. That's all I'm ready.
What? Level national. Pussy wall. Anywhere you see me at National. Try no.
This Odyssey, born as a song killer. Odyssey, born as a song killer. Bass Odyssey song, born as a song killer.
So we are song killer. How we are song killer?
From you see we born as a song killer. Bass Odyssey song, born as a song killer. Antigua.
Pull up. No play no blood clot more. No, your pussy clot.
Time.
Not yet, no. Come me left flick over show you my bad no blood clot.
Time. All who said the war go on good, say good. Remember the first round here? It's not a judging round. We start judging round them for the second round.
And the man, them a shoot already.
But let me ask a question now. All who said the two sound are go on bad, say bad. If that's just first round.
First round, and the man, them a shoot, so.
So we on to the second 20 minutes.
So Diamond, I want to ask you a question.
Hey.
If the man them a shoot so, the two sound them, and now the judging starting. So, that round here, at 20 minutes again?
20 minutes again.
Okay. People, give it up for King Addies and Bass Odyssey.
For the first round.
For the first round. Now the judging start.
20-minute round. So right now, people, this is the time when the real class start. Right now, people, make some noise. And welcome
on stage,
Addies.
King Addies. Antigua, if you are a Bass Odyssey fan, that shit was embarrassing. Well, you can't give him a bow, it's all right. Antigua, that was... Anybody seen Damien DeLingy? After me kill him in New York, the boy afraid for clash me. And send out the B team, not even the B team. I don't know what the fuck that was just now. People, everything I said was gonna happen. I lie, man, tell. Antigua, I'm going to show you that these little motherfuckers don't have no skill. They don't have no song for compete with Addies. Me just roll out some early song and make them feel like them have a chance. People, this is where I'm going to show you Addies are the big sound inside here. All Addies fans are full no time now. Shout!
John's the originality. Addies. Shabba said that.
Addies, man.
No cockatoo, I hear me. We will rock them up with some Addies box wire.
Addies kill them true.
As it were, this is the deal for some matter around. We hang them.
On the ready now!
We kill them. Addies kill them truly. Them comforters sweet.
Ready. This is a skill where you don't have. You idiot.
Addies kill them truly.
So not go let Addies go on them. We are go look. Any sound is system. We put them and we put them on no say. Sound
level. Every man with smoke ganja, take out your lighter and blink it in the air right now. Every ganja man, blink the light at them. Every ganja man, blink it.
Addies don't smoke the chronic to bother no one. All right. Addies don't smoke the chronic to cause botheration to Babylon.
Level or not?
Addies just smoke the chronic.
Bro, the man make a speech and say, oh, me par with bad man. Me par with man with thief. Me par with policeman. Spready, you don't par with no girl? All I man that want know you straight. 209 blood clot here. That's ready.
What? Leave out to Babylon and come back to Zion. Slaving every day and still you can't make one. Leave out corruption and come to Mount Zion. Why you want to be with the Babylonians? We all have got to give account for our sins.
Level. The dog them play 20 minutes. Did y'all hear them say anything about Father God? All who love Father God, 209 here. It's so simple. All who have a Bible in them house, 209 blood clot here.
Father, we seek your blessing. Every day some sound boy cry. Although some of us are missing, please don't ask King Addies why. Father, we seek your blessing.
Level.
Every day some
level. Me say, all who believe in Father God and you pray every day, put your gun finger in the ear again. All God bless.
Man, people for rest and peace. No, I am here say no killer be. Jaja protect me from the battlefield. Some boy no know how to feel. Them want
Soji, kill him.
Why they no worry me? True. I am here say no King Addies. Them woulda love to see we that fly in the sky. Want see we die. Kingpin say he no work so.
Level.
He no work so.
People, them pussy they can't kill me. 5 rounds and then tune for tune. Me just a beat them all night.
King Addies sound, yeah.
All night.
Kill them all. What a rascal sound clash. This must be for full con discuss me.
Soldier, don't waste time. You see the boy spreading.
I am a vampire. Killer.
You see him?
My father eat and I want some boy.
Talk it, Antigua.
And know this. But badness some boy a talk. Them not do it when King Addies about the road and bumper while they asleep.
Level. You say your name Stuart. Stuart, little move your pussy. John.
Now then, why every sound boy just wanna be a gangster? Young juvenile, them we kill you with back.
Level. Once again, all the red chronic law, put your 219 blood clot here. What the Lambas fans them there? Ready?
You know the badness going. 6 wheel out here.
Where me send them?
Hey, King Addies, we dash them body on the hillside. When nobody know them for tanto. Hey, listen now. Dash them body on the hillside. I'll be your gun in our side.
I saw my pocket is empty. No money to buy.
Level. Big up Squingy, rest in peace. Spready. Squingy don't know you. Him never meet you. You join this one after him pass. Rest in peace, Squingy. Big up Tony Mataran. Anybody know Tony Mataran? Put your gun finger in the ear. Anybody ever hear about Babyface? Danny Dreadlocks? Them voice them big song here say Kingpin. Go on the road.
King, Selassie. Sit up on the feet of the Mount High. Where we say, we sing, judgment in the earth. At this tell them to split. This Selassie are the Argana.
Oh no, tell me a sing
Babylon. Judgment,
Level. Spready, Jovi. You see I do on your day night venue. And that are the best that I do on you can find. And them tune there. When Addies voice I do on you, we put them on some bad blood clot rhythm with some big song like them here. You see now morning.
Real King Talk. That one like Kingpin, your Nika Black. You dancing like
Jovi!
4th generation. Loud evil, broad eagle.
You see now morning.
Watch this. When Kingpin pull up on the trigger in the boy headed it empty. Never the trigger put in a clip where you're empty.
People, me say now morning.
I live long enough. Run them violate King Addies. That's what I say. Watch how them dead now. It's gonna be slow singing, flowers bringing, marrow, fly like pigeon in the evening.
Level! Them pussy that have no anthem like Addies. If you're a real King Addies fan, when me play that song here, that rhythm here, you know it from start.
Sound boy, you look
where we send the pussy them tonight?
Onto the graveyard you go.
And now, Babylon, them see your man a bench. Aye, you know me show them say. Well done, aye. Oh, send them on them death row, living like dogs and Janko. Oh, death row, them living like pigs and crow. Never to return.
Level,
on them death row.
level. All the red sizzler Kalonji, bust a blank in a ear. Take out a lighter. When the sizzler find them there.
Tell them say kings of the earth. Come to yourself, you cannot chase and escape.
Level. The pussy them round there, fretting and search for songs. You know what else them a do?
Them a wonder how we do this. Them go with hate and anger. Future prophets but lion hearted longer. Heart it a twist. Not spread no propaganda cause you can't stop this. And now this sound boy up under. But king of this them.
The people that will know your heart clean. You're not bad mind. Put your gun finger in the ear. Antigua.
Well again sir, I see the wicked man will have to fall. I know the righteous one will have to stand tall.
Level now. All the red to you when them call Chronics bust a blank now. Chronics! Hey. Ladies, big up, me love you now. Antigua!
They don't know. And I said they don't know.
Soji, just shoot! Shoot!
90 some of your blocks. King Addies no afraid of no liquor sound boy.
Shut!
No demon.
Bad like we want to them new locks, them in the 90s. I want to them ask them, you know. Mark some ass.
What's up there, man?
Bad man.
Tonight!
Crush them like a pit bull. Mix with a rat him.
That's why we could never be friends. I would never pretend. No. When you are run them while you cry.
Take my time and kill them.
When you are rise, them time fear you fall. But hope and pray.
Why? Go again.
I want to them. King Addies, this is what the gangster life is like. Roll out in the range and more time ride my bike. I test set a gal it pussy tight. I got some bad mind select and no like. I from your mother home, son boy. Good on in a tomb.
Lindsay, you bias. Lindsay, that one the request you see Addies.
Walk we be gone. Mark 90 rifle boys in your run. Headbox out all pound face them fall down. Them mouth full of dirt, them tasty ball grum.
Level. Don't you big up yourself again. When my voice I don't ever put them on some bad rhythm. All the rate I don't ever put your gun finger in the ear.
King Addies, tell them. Smarty mama go ball late. I don't be me a can of cater. Killing in a miniature. Right front of the speaker. Pop off the brain scraper. Bad man a squeeze it. A sound boy bumbo cladded. Them a go ball late. I don't be me a can of cater. Killing in a miniature. Right front of the speaker. Pop off the brain scraper.
Level. Hear him. Don't run no bounty killer jokes with me. So let me play my little 1 or 2 bounty them. So him can play all of the rest of them for the rest of the night. People, let me play my little bounty killer them. So him can play theme 1 for the rest of the night. Matter of fact, Spready and Jovi. Make sure you play only bounty killer for the rest. Nobody else. Right? Let me play my little one them. Play that. All you can defend yourself. Put your gun thing in the ear.
Wicked zone of these. Guns out and turn on and people life gone. We a killer. One to them full kingpin, one to them A1 swaggy.
You see when me reach Antigua.
How some rascal gun we have open. How the same thing when you lads man them.
Level. All the red butcher banter, put your gun finger up there. Where the butcher find them?
Make sure you're
butcher.
What you got in your possession beside the next man beside you don't know. Strap. Dog on me run up in the fence and my food gets stuck off. Seven now with baseballs and everything last. Some soldier leader act tough, me checking them staff. Who sell me?
Me I go round base at the side. Cause them can't do me nothing. Me I stand right next to him and them too. Cause they can't do me nothing. Jovi! You know, people, me I deliver the message direct. You know why? Soldier press!
Oi, 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 oi.
have mercy.
Me I deliver the message direct, spready.
Addies kill them now. Kill bass Odyssey now. Kill them now. Boy, we kill them now. Hey, Jalad is on his light and on his salvation. Tell I whom shall Addies fear?
Level.
No sound.
All who are listening reggae music for more than 10 years, 15 years, who remember the artist here, pass on down.
Wear the crown.
Oh, no, tell spready. The little shot, push the wall, you. Spready.
Son, boy, don't put your hat where you can't reach it. It doesn't make no sense.
Capleton here. When the man them with the torch them. When the light up the torch for Capleton. When they take out the lighter for Capleton. All the red Capleton inside there. Rise it.
Red. Addies I put the fire upon them, yo. When I want to tell them something, yo, yo. Now on that name. When I go walk, you walk. Cause when you walk on the road of corruption, you walk, yo. Now go talk, you talk. Cause when you talk, it not come from...
Stop. Stop. What we say? I'm going to play my 1 or 2 bounty killer them. No. All the red bounty killers are top than the general. Bust a blank in a ear for bounty killer. All the red general. Listen to me. Me hear the man them play the military rhythm with bounty killer on it. When you're in Antigua, that's not the rhythms you play bounty killer on. When you're in Antigua and you play bounty killer, you play them like this.
None of mercy. For the man called Daily Bread. None of mercy. On the general minor.
Speed it up, Soji. You play them like this.
Boy, you're dead this time. Me ever gun your name, seat and blind. All that same time. Hear me so I like lime. And Addies now go speak.
Soji, shoot!
Big up the youth with them call Dave Bill. None of mercy. Chamu boom shell.
What about to kill a fan them there? Ready?
Well, I'm a sound guy if he dead, me so make it go so then he's the Undertaker. Oh boy.
Triple up them pussy old numbers. They're not a song like me.
Them come up in you when them know them shouldn't try. Needless to give no excuse when I take all of my. Boy, your skull kind fly. Needless to say no more, somebody's call off the board.
Why the lynch in the show?
Addies guns scare him. Inform me that me no gun.
Listen, let me play my killer them. John!
Tell them survive, none of mercy. Man called Shamu. Don't this is a who.
5 minutes.
Champion.
Jesus Christ,
so
too much
time. Them is the big bad Addies. Whoa, with weapon like these, them fall. Them like take with ease.
Spready make a speech. This is what we call combo to bumbo. Or the fucking say. Those is not combinations. When Addies play a combination, we play a real song. Let me tell you who is on this combination. This is Dennis Emmanuel Brown, Mad Cabra, and Bounty Killer. No pussy play this. John!
Hold on. Addies come again, yeah. Sitting here watching some boys fight themselves when they should all be thinking of getting to know themselves. While life goes on, Addies will help us stand strong.
Level! All the red man Cabra, put your gun on up!
Well, sit down a wings and a look in a life and a watch. As full-time son, what test at this and but sit down a wings and a look in a life and a watch. A full-time son test at this and kill.
Let them sit there with them argument and chat. If the post and go, then now go see we come back.
Who do I hear the second verse? All who I hear the second verse say yes. Say yes. That side they say yes. Let me see what going around here. All who I hear it say yes. All right, make it clear.
For the Dennis, I go sing non-stop.
Yeah. Giving your heart and soul to vanity. Makes one's life filling pain and misery. While life goes on,
Addies on.
Never stand strong. We not surrender.
Watch out, me dubplate them, man.
Jesus,
I
tell them
ready.
16 in a magazine, one in a the head. I'm a cock trigger press and everything red.
Wanna know spread the glory as a clash selector? We never hear him clash yet. No, seriously. We don't know him as a clash selector. With all the bad man talk. Huh? A go-go selector though. So we can ask him a question now.
Big man from the USA, check hey the UK. Come on the man same way. Boy, say them a bad man, but me ask when since couldn't. Addies them walk and faint. Boy, me pop out, me gun faster than all you quit. Your blood run like drinks. Well, some guy fi dead just rush them out like a drink. When some guy you meditate me one.
Watch how a man fool your fuck. The man say, them send 2 people for kill him. Like him a play the sound by himself. Doesn't he have a selector too? Is he playing the song by himself? Some of them selectors just talk to talk. So tell him!
Another thing. I heard some guy talking about Kia.
Oh no, tell him!
We the combination days killing. Try watch your speech and your words what you say. Killer is here and King Addies them willing. Which part can you have mercy? Them want to King Addies, you can't tell them fi come. Run out a look and know me kill them fi fun. Black shot the latest we come down. How guy gonna dead before the rising sun? White blind like plane, them coulda drive like jar. Addies man fi kill them not to touch in a war.
Spready! Since you're so fucking bad, all you have to do, all you have to do, all you have to do.
A1 pussy. Step if you a step now. Step if you a step now. King Addies. Step if you a step now. Pussy. Stop saying chat now.
Him look nervous now.
Temongo bad pan
Him look nervous, talk to me.
King Addies make anything up man slim. Killer B and a slim.
Marcus Garvey. Bunty on the large, Jocko Slime. Jack Europe. What me tell me say sing? Send them come, send them one by one. I make a show them how we stay. I'm Mr. Addies Simpson.
What me there for do?
Addies, kill them dumb. Not for who you think I am, not what you want me to be. I beg you double for free, real double.
Level.
With no strings attached, come and give them.
People, we have more new song, you know. But me just feel like get rid of some selection when them live off. Me just get rid of them. When they tune them, get rid of now. Question.
Addies don't play. I say Addies don't play.
Clinton Digger.
I say Addies
Revolution. Ask him.
Man say when the man go do be stop it, Addies crew can't stop the wrong of them from go through. When the man go do be stop it, it's the good match run. I respect you. Them take me off the main and lock we in a hole. As they let me out, we down back pound patrol.
You know what to?
Music.
You know what to? I feel like play that last song, yeah.
Time. We now make the controller stick.
Where's Scully on there?
Time.
Where the honey on there?
Everything over here.
Everybody time, Ross.
All who say Addies go and good, say good.
Addies!
Hey. So yeah, no, man. No sticking in the dance here. Time don't run a kind of way. So without further ado, people make some noise and welcome. Second round, 20 minutes round. Bass Odyssey.
Yo.
Killing machine this bomber clot from one bomber clot column.
I wish you like this. Good. Can Kingpin give me this? Me not trust this a blood clot. Hold this.
Check.
You work with that one, yeah. Yeah. People. That coming like when they go one 9 night and take a bathroom break. And people just ask, scatter and say, bathroom time. Pussy, you disgrace the gunman son. Addies is a gunman son. Father Ethan a gunman. You know, come play the man son, so not about spreading on a sense and a first spreading. And you make a little rascal girl where you wash her drawers there, so I tell you, boy, go, selector, go, you fool the pussy clad. War me come, boy. All who ready for war, say war. Pussy. When you style people, that's how you do it.
Attack, what? Represent for BS Addies sound, kill we kill sound. Look at the Damien Delingy, Worm, Lexi, Lex. Watch an Kitty, you see it, we govern the streets. Vilmore, look at a country spanks, Tenet Stepper. Spread the glory, Jovi National, Mario Dishan, R.A.D. Kill we kill sound for free. You have some waste man boy them name King Addies to kill them at the least. Them boy them name, kill we go kill them. sound clash is so unfair. Girl sit down in a King Addies face like chair. And the fans are complain, say ya fuck with them a play. King Addies, fuck off. The people them know where you going. King Addies man them love use them palm. And the girl them
all when blood clot Jazzy T there.
King Addies sound must dead off. King Addies dead in a Antigua. Jazzy T can't save you, no police officer.
Yeah, fuck to them.
Why you say that to rock? Why you say that to blood clot rock?
All who come to war, put on the action. Some boy feel no. Because gunshot a beat for the sound where your pussy eater.
Level. I'm from tonight, call the pussy them Tom and Jerry. Go on,
boy, they can't beat with him freaky. Rifle rise from a Netherland. Left your body stink like a get up on.
Fuck to them.
Level national. National. Bombo clout. Focus, man. National. Focus round here, so. No make no bombo clout boy again a chat. No boy at all. Yo, listen to me. All when the CD player stick, chew off it, bombo clot and go over there, so. A gunman sound. Me not come to take no chat from no boy. And listen to me. Who want me your ears to? National. Who want me your ears to? Play a bombo clot song.
Bombo one. Talk some boy attack. Yes, I this them no in a your leg. Yes, I this them no in a your.
Madam Bombo Club and Alkaline representing the SADC.
Sorry, that's all. War me come.
The SADC object bingo.
What?
Another one bingo. Object bingo. The SADC kill you. Damien kill you. Object bingo.
National. Remember war me coming and I buckle and talking. When me say guns out, a rifle blood clot behavior. It's a rifle behavior.
Them all got there.
Antigua.
Them all got there. Odyssey gun them a big.
Bumbuckler, yo, Mario. Murder sound for free for fun for no. Beat them like broadboard, them soft and cardboard. Yes, I see bodies of Mr. So.
It's alright,
fucking hell. Yes, I see say. Some boy coward like dog. Yo, them never yet get a charge.
Hawk some boy.
I say, oh, you're bad.
Hawk some boy.
I say, oh, you're bad.
That is Soji. Go try something else. Pussy, you can't move the nigga. Y'all kingpin to make one. Big up all of the bad man them from Antigua. Turn it up national.
Damien Delinge, worm, leg to leg, key to key. Country
gun.
Phil Moore.
Don't fuck yourself here.
Spread the glory, Dishan,
Don't
Price.
rap with me here, boy. Ready?
Excuse me, no pagans. Yes, I this is not take violation.
Yeah, man, boy.
Tonight a murderation. The country sound your
National, stop
champion.
that. Focus now. Me give you time for think. Good. Me save the turntable like it problem, kick off it, bombo clot, I will go over there so. No boy no rich and color in Antigua. That's what the thing like. People, me telling you say, them bring two selectors to kill me one. Soji and, what name? Kingfisher or Kingpin. Now you must say, why me talk one or two a week? Then send one last night and say one tonight. So why you think me if you do two of them? National, when me say rifle behavior, me say rifle behavior. Antigua, National,
original square with the Addies, now we are them, now we are them, now we are them. Suck your boom 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 boom. Suck your boom 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 boom. Suck your boom boom boom.
Dirty boy Kingpin. Glad you take a national yacht shot.
Jamaica, ever legalize gun. To murder, Antigua will be the greatest, but Batman
Play some pussy.
National.
And I bag a chat in a bag a chat. Whole family, Lex, whole family, Hey, stand it. Inna.
Yes, tonight. Pussy.
Sound Deadliest Odyssey inna. Gun buckle, boy. Base Odyssey we no war with none tackle inna.
Yo, Lexi, you're doing your Katie, you feel more.
Put volume on it, national.
Yo, BS Odyssey.
Put volume on it.
Pussy do this. Bumbo whole couch out tough in a BS Odyssey place. Bad man tell them fi bag them face. Yo, some pussy like y'all them chase. BS Odyssey.
Pussy you talk about I don't ya. I know you're not playing I don't ya. Pussy when we are Goffy boy. That's how we approach them. That's how we approach them.
Buckle out now, you're Mario. Murder some boy for free for fun for nothing.
Pussy
fucking niggas stop to bust them head. With gunshot. Base of this he say. So now make talk, we a make walk. Go kill a 4-4, make your head bat. Bad man thing and a talking. You know what action over mouth. Base of this he them up.
Motherfucking niggas, you know one time they didn't you? Gunshot no stingy, motherfucking niggas.
Pussy that said nothing about bounty killer. Bad man so damn.
Chop, cutlass we rise when we a kill jump on. Base of this we a real countryman. Cutlass we rise when we a kill jump on. We go to ya like walk on ya countryman. No let we no powder no man countryman. We sit down and plan with woman countryman. Kill them one by one countryman. Now we will chop off. And your and countryman. No give a fuck with.
Big up all who say country in Antigua.
From London countryman.
National me say get to rock.
One countryman.
Get to rock.
Kill them. Don't bust this. Base of this them run out with it.
Yes, Odyssey.
What the right
the pussy them feel them get wet.
Right for badness and this blood clot.
We'll kill them all off. So that's a national. Base Odyssey. This a one thing where you no understand, you know.
What?
From some selector go round up and some swear them turn man, you know. Like that selector they will try rise them sit down, you know.
Pull up. But I want a boy come tell who I'm friend them. And tell who we are par with. Pussy call your greatest friend when I like him neither. I'm going to tell him that say me say so. I may kill the three on together. Cause gunman story. I don't know who me a blood clot talk to. National. Me and the boy I play Diddy and I talk about. Big up Diddy. Big up Diddy. I be a gunman show around this so. Diddy no play for pussy. How when you play Diddy, you have to make the people them know say Diddy are the baddest blood clot artist in our world. Diddy, make me heal you up.
Base of this you kill more. Some boy know about that, they know about this. Easy. Come on my sound. Big bad base of this is sound. Killing machine, kill any sound, kill any boy, anywhere, anytime. Base of this is this a bad base of this from outer central. Established 89 but we bust 91. Who bust this sound, no the great in a one. Him kill every sound where you go on like a dance. So we start to the world, America, to Japan. Him do 6 months.
I know who have the song them.
When him come back,
pussy walla who can play them. Hey boy,
what reason problem?
Dirty boy.
Hey. It's like hell up in all them. They said this attack them once again. It's like hell up in all. Sit down, down.
Level. He might talk about spread, he talk about combo to bombo. Pussy member we not play a splicer. Go up there with the combo national.
Yo.
Music lovers speak now. Yeah. If it's killing that you want best of this, we are the right champion. For them to know where we go. Killing that them searching for us. For me, it is a pleasure to see you cut them down. At any concert, any man. Go from the presses right then rock.
Killing or killing, tell them shut a go sing. Everybody
by the national ready there.
Got to be rewarded.
Him say we don't know about war. Dirty boy.
Well, anything that they can play, there's a DC play that better. How we are the roughest, but my there's a DC are the toughest. When you rude boy say,
all him can say, that short boy there. Me hear him play a song a while ago and say, spread the big up everybody. And him not big up no girls, him not no woman. Pussy, do this way me do. Me have 2 picnic, we are 19-year-old. Not with 1 woman. Try that and beat me. Pussy me breed 2 girl 1 time. And me find out say me next baby mother vex. And me breed 1 next girl make 3. Pussy kingpin and bed you sleep under. What you know about girl's story?
Base of it. Up girl long out like clothes in our closet. Girl enough so till we put girl on deposit. The girl never haunt we. Them don't say we have it. Girl hand on girl over this planet. Ready not to yell the fruits right. That of the tonic. First we have that AK.
Listen, now we are start time. Who they are national?
Gone long days and they say you are incompatible. Your big sound of pressure them case. Hey, God long cause you know we not talk reachable. We not catch a none of them place. Hey, God long days and they
national. Me hear the pussy at our bun come here to kill the two away. Dirty boy, you don't see how there. You don't see how there.
Ain't no other. Rise up the bomber, explosive boy, head up with a one. In the jungle, no ramp with a king kanga. In the mountain, them a domestic llama. Hear me and bomber.
Rise and some of them want to see with them.
Let me tell you something. Anyway, in the world we go with bad. I could have New York, blood clot city.
Yes, I didn't say tell them. Promise me. You know, say up. No, we try not to sell it. I said, yes, I didn't say your name was head for me, but we all about stacking money for the belly. Promise me.
Pussy work kingpin. Me see you play some role from what day. Pussy me now beg no friend from you. Suck on New York.
Well, the pussy will them not go like me no matter what I want. To because they know we have a gun. If a pussy will want them,
my war serious, you know.
In a head, man, I go plan. The pussy will them not go like me no matter what I want. And I do
national a gunman story. And I miss a going on something.
Yo, basic, kill some pussy. Make shot pussy in a day made like a foot. In a your brain rifle shot, give you a macacho. One load of a shot, give you a black and look a big hole in a your ass face. Put boy chop asleep is an of your took no jump up.
On the looking island. Pussy, I beg the people in the world. Yeah, beg them.
Well, if a son can stay in ya, wanna be dead in the arena. When they say she get meaner, don't play for the top them.
Bad boy.
Them boy, you must see dreamer.
You think I see him song them here come here?
When they say
a gunman story.
Yeah, the boys, you know it's iron.
What national?
Just wait. Base of this, it's just bad. Yeah, man, shot fire brains.
What me from there? Put some on turntable. National. Me tell you already, so you focus now. Don't blood clot smoke no more weed. Left the ganja to me. You ever say? I mean, I want a man round us to give him no more bumbo clot weed. All right. That me I tell you, come on, I'm focused around here, so. Yeah, that me I tell you. National. Listen to me. No more weed, brother. Keep it thing nice and smooth. That we are talking about. Before I'm going away, big up Phantom Moja will drop out. Our real artist. All who read Phantom Moja was 3 blank in the year, me a real soldier. Real soldier will drop out. Big up man like Squingy will pass on gone. R.I.P. Notice me not come here and talk about a bag of something what them used to, you know. Because I know what the pussy them are going to say, you know. You don't come here and play this, you don't come here and talk about that, you don't come here and talk about this. National, a one rascal plan me have, and I have to kill the dread and the soldier. Get to work.
Lexi, Kitty, Tenet Stepper,
put some speed on the national.
Freddy Glory,
Dirty boy,
Mission, Mario, boy. Intellectual murder people edition. A campfire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, base of the killer man. Pussy on the paper.
Freddy Glory, your price, edition, your Mario.
National, the pussy never know governor there.
Yo, all them boy there. Yo, lick a bit of dopey. What? Them not have no dopey.
Hear me, no the ninja. Yes, I see.
Me telling you, ask you what they got, man. Ask you.
Yes, I say. See that one in the matic, get a clip in your pocket, so you know that somebody go dead.
Dillinger, you know the bunch in the room, man. Say, yo, Lex. Kitty, you know the bunch.
I don't want me to walk on your parent.
No, I'm say.
I don't want me to walk on your
parent. Mario, come down now. So we do it like this, kid, we in BSRDC. Voodoo at excellence, BSRDC. Money now estimate, get up with the oil. Ring load up with enough to pay BSRDC. Dad, them a tell you large up another beat. Mark X with the crony and I see the plate.
Level. National. I tell you, if you smoke one more blood clot split me off for you, shut off for you. I'm serious, me not laugh. National, a rifle behavior. Lift up every rifle in this blood clot. National, lift up every rifle in this. Rifle behavior. Ready?
Well, one, they not do no harm. Visit on the yam, boy, produce in a land. Yes, Odyssey. Them fucker in the clique, get we ignorant. From them this one, try know them this one. I'm gonna say, yo, Damien Dillingy, you know the badness in the world. I say, Bumbo Club, right?
National, I wish don't be over there.
Come down now. How? Be a sexy sound. Tell them I walk on a deal with drive-by. Be a rifle, man of them, I go with pipe. Once him on a truck, like say them do skydive. Yo, be a sexy sound. Watch this now.
Level. Level some more, National. Big up all like Trinidad them in a fucking place. Cause last night I realized you one Trinidad there. And she come back tonight. Bossy Cat. The pussy them not find not even one song for you. They now do no research. Big up all who are the Antigua artists there. Give me Bossy Cat somebody say give me.
Yo, base of this, a bass on for them. Yo, world, a bad man for them.
What?
Country Spain, a bad man for them. The whole country, a bad man friend. Yo, base of this, a bass on for them.
What?
Tell me on, a bad man for them. Yo, world, a bad man for them. The whole country.
BSIDC badness, me I tell you about. Extension, me I tell you about. Have couple them dark night on. Mario, night on, my spider YG.
Big up all who come from country. Big up all of the Kingstonian there. But Antigua with them tonight. National.
Remember be a sadist, never know a verb from noun. Big Don said pan the school compound. Bleach
all them say we not know song. What all of them? All of the pussy them say we not know song. Hey boy.
High expensive guns from Panama. And we still have violates for the diarrhea. Be a sadist sound.
Even run out the wall and massacre them.
Yes, I this it.
Pussy what kingpin I heal me, I mean I answer. Dirty boy.
Hey man, I live hasty. Out order. A mount a rifle, mount a. Me pull up and them me flat out a corner. Them look suck pussy boy, they are gonna. Yes, I this it. Out order.
National.
Out.
Me say me a going on the blood clot box.
Charlie guy, Addies bust the gun without license. Shot by top boy, yes like Tyson. No farmer registration can the rifle people stifle.
He can't study the box.
Mark AK never come with fitness. With pussy one.
Give me a say combo to bombo.
This gunshot a fly.
Pussy wall you think I joke?
Hey, volley up. Yes, I just say them attack again. Put on the truck again. Full suit of black water. One no better than way. On the city lane, country represent a yard.
Why are they
not get on the sea way? So we attack again. Put on the truck again. Full suit of black again. No one no better than way. On the young silly yearn. When we represent a yard, the ones that did for them get on the sea.
Yes, I just see them they have to make the bed.
Relax. I saw me while you get to work and focus back. I like it now. You see, make sure I stand upside of you. And make sure you know me there. Now go on with me, boy. I know about nothing and I take no chat from no boy with a right or left or blood clot center. You hear me say? We are work tonight. We don't take program. That will come here for do. Here. National. What go on over so? Now waste the time, boy. Put volume on the National.
Dead boy and dead girl.
Don't show them your National. Don't show them.
Odyssey. Circle them with the tag clips. Some little selectors sure say them a crap. If you can't discount pint in them.
Big up all who they on the line.
Voila. Odyssey banana clip. No sell a market. Badness you watch up. You ready for your part.
Did the gun them where we are boss boy and all gun. Tell them boy.
BS Odyssey. Copy rubber grip. Pussy rubber grip. Copy rubber grip. Pussy rubber.
Clap it up now.
Copy rubber grip. Pussy rubber.
Clap it up now.
Hey, BS Odyssey. Anyway, the gun you slam me coming like.
Level. All who not beg no friend from nobody, but street blank make me hear you. Don't make no pussy try trick here, yes.
I did see. Turn man too easy to switch dog.
They say they easy to switch dog.
I did see catch you for the 17 dog.
Pull
back on the seat. When you turn my be back on the thugs they help. I'm a cool class as a fuck them. Tell I go all of the
why are we at party?
Them can't beg me no pardon.
Let them go. Let them go.
Let them go. Them see me book like a flash garden. Will again, them can't beg me no pardon.
National, me tell you already. All when not 300 of them. Tell them bring the box man, them make a war them too.
Yo, jump on boy.
One talk to you here, one I know. It's BS Odyssey all day, one I know. Better girl got to pray when I wanna be holy day. When we are brave when I wanna. If you know, we no fear no no. Say no demon come feel.
Time.
Time. All who say bass and say go and good, say good. Remember, this is the first judged round.
Yeah.
You understand? The first round that is officially judged. So people, it's your time to do what you have to do.
Engineer, more you level the two console them. Level them sound good.
So like, turn on the light in the crowd. You know you ever see the crowd?
Yeah.
Lock off the bright light.
Judging time.
All right? So, after hearing the second round, 20 minutes, all who say, Addies take the round, they show me hands.
We are look.
Jazzy.
May I look? No. We're not judge round this, sir. We're judging the crowd. The crowd in front of it. Do it again, Diamond.
So. Okay, hold on, Jazzy.
No, Kingpin, relax.
Jazzy, hold on. Because as they address it, them say bass Odyssey, play over song.
Which is true.
And from the beginning we said, any sound that play over a song can't win the round. So it never make no sense to judge the round then.
But here what? Here we do, Diamond.
Yeah.
We got judge it still, but we know them play over two songs.
Hold on, the people, all who say, hold on, Jazzy, hold on. All who say that we don't need to judge around, say, put up your hand, let me see now. If we don't have a judge around, put them down. All who say that we should judge around, put up your hand. All right, first, second round, Addies. So Addies 1.
So Diamond.
Bass Odyssey, 0.
Yeah, 1 to 0 to Addies.
So this is the 15-minute round now.
Are the people talk?
Are them?
Who know the judge? And the next thing, I don't want a sound call my name in a dubplate. Nor bass Odyssey nor Addies. Don't call my name in a dub. Come on, open for my laptop, you know, and kill them off.
Jazzy, and you are Jazzy. 15-minute round. Addies.
15-minute round.
Turn round.
Everybody, let's welcome on stage King Addies.
Yo, this is the worst showing I've ever seen bass Odyssey do. Big and serious. All who disappointed in bass Odyssey right now, 2-1 a year. No, seriously, people. Big bad bass Odyssey out of sentence. This nigga's just talking. He's not saying anything. Him just a talk. I don't know. People, it don't look good. Stonewall family, big up yourself. 2020, my class Stonewall in Antigua. I'ma play that tune here in the place, Boss. My boss has sung in Antigua. Them have an artist where them call Reggae King. All the rate Reggae King 2-1 a year. Let me see who I go on. Cause through the man get paralyzed, people go on like them forget him. All the rate the artists where them say Reggae King boss a shot. No. Press!
King Addies. King Addies. I want king.
Level. Yeah, playback song in a second round. You for playback song in a second round. It don't look good. You see them pussy there.
Watch I know. I saw I got dead in all the land tonight. Some know say some sound boy not organize. Don't make it do I lie. Don't make it do I lie.
Level. The first 20 minutes with them play, them not say Father God. Them come back in 20 minutes again and not say Father God. It's simple. All who believe in Father God 2-1 a year, let me see who are going. Over here, sir. All who believe in God.
Thank you. It's just another day. King Addies a play. Thank you, Jamie. Wake up this morning. Roll out the earth before we start yawning.
Pull up, take it forward, them. Stop.
I know King Addies.
Level. King Addies, you say? You read King Addies sound? Where you from? You're from Antigua? Come here. Name me 3 places in Antigua if you love Antigua.
Clear Hall, Wireless, Grace Farm, English Harbor.
So I'm to Addies. Oh, you can't say some more.
Addies, Patters, what? Fort Wood, Stonewall, must say. Addies again, Cannabis, must say. Barnes Hill, Poison Dark, must say. Clear Hall, Lease, must say.
You look like you're proud to be from Antigua. All who proud to be from Antigua, put your hands in the air. Press!
Thing on a swag you done, you know the thing stay. Are they know the boss now? King of this zone. A1 Kingpin Killer B. Tap tananap, yeah. Tap tananap, yeah. Tap tananap, yeah. King of this zone. Real talks never forget the dumb plan. Now where me come from, yeah. King of this never worry about pagan. Cause we destiny don't plan. Some say we not gonna live long.
Level.
That's a judgment road me live by.
Level.
Some say me sell my soul to Satan. Jah bless me for shame.
I ain't gonna lie. Soldier, he just messed up. But that's how it goes sometimes. This is sound clash. Sometimes you're gonna fuck up. But one thing I'm never gonna do is disrespect my selector in front of people like Spready. You're a pussy. How you for this your selector in front of people? You're a batty boy. Javi, you have to box him now in pussy clad face. Spread, don't worry yourself. Everything good tonight. You know why?
Big up Kingpin, you know. Winterfresh, Killer B. Man no shoot and no score, Steph Curry. Going for the foods, man the tell the chef hurry. Lad, think I'm bad like King of this. King of this, top farm. Louis V don't no fat farm. In a smarty data we cut down. Same flame, top farm. King of design a platform. Buy competent to keep the black one. Killer day, top farm. Still no call up.
Level. Me never see I doing this governor yet. Me never see governor this J's yet. So why would you diss your selector? You're a pussy in a real life, brother. Skip or big up yourself. And furthermore, me just remember something. Don't you ever in life call me DJ Diddy. Don't mix up the DJ with Puff Daddy. It don't look good. This is not a baby all thing, Ron. It's a bad boy thing. About Diddy. Kind of foolishness in the pants, Freddy. Watch your mouth. The whole crew should have box and kick your blood clot. Oh, we man. The people them where live the life you live. Put your gun finger them in the ear.
Cranium, yeah. I'm if you tell yourself, every sound have a dream. Every sound, I try to King of this. King of this. Vice with them one vice. Gunshot we fly if we want. Kill any sound we want kill. That's the lifestyle we have.
It's scary hours now. You see in Sound Clash, the first round, second round, they just play some tune. But you see when it reach third and fourth round, that's when it dance start get serious now. The artists just here yesterday, all the red alkaline Bossa Blanc. Matter of fact, don't even press yet. All who there with a real friend, Bossa Blanc for your friend right now. Ladies, you're there with your friend, Bossa Blanc for your friend. Level. When I say a real friend, that doesn't mean you see them every day. But when you do see them, the link's still strong. All the rate the person side of your bust a shot. That one you must play.
Never talk every day, King of this never change. I'm a dance same way, yeah. My bird at them favor, press a trigger up on whoever make a stay, yeah.
Level. Bounty killer. Bounty killer. Every minute's gonna go post soul. Come play some alkaline, no? Come play some alkaline, no? Press!
Already. Hey, man, I'm a critical and I represent for King Addies sound.
We've gone.
You know one of the biggest sound, them boy.
We've gone.
Love me dogs are free, but I feel this and a rum chat. They up on the block and we consume out of the one pot. Couple get locked up, them so free out of the dungeon. King Addies with their dog. Well, on rock at Gibraltar, so we firm. Live us so we learn. King Addies, I cut them up. Some of the bridges up.
We up. Soldier, you mess up again? Mr. Alkaline, where critical come from? Alkaline! All the way alkaline, say yes! Press!
A king of this, man, a king of this sound. Touch up.
King of this boy can't ball great. Tell crap man someone pull a technique. Make him feel like someone good and
level! Low down. Soldier. Alkaline again? Alright, we're good. He's on track. People, the post to come over and say, King Addies, Kingpin don't have no duppy. Spready, I killed your sound last year in New York. 2013, we kill you in Miami, and then we kill you in Tampa. Connecticut, sorry. So how the fuck you gonna look upon me? All of the people that will follow Sound Clash. If Spready has won more clashes than Kingpin, say yes. Silence. All who know say me kill the most sound on that stage, say yes. Brother, me kill Damian Delingy. Me kill Worm. We kill Keety Keat. We kill Stepper. The only person left for blood clot kill his father Keat now. We don't send him come. Sean!
I will say boss for every mass. Done for every done. Ever militant. So
these niggas cannot talk to me with music. Bass Odyssey is my beating stick. Everywhere me go me at. Hold on. I feel like cursing like an Antigua. Everywhere me go me I kill them mother scunt. Hear him now. How much time left? 5 minutes? Hold on now. Matter of fact, me I play that tune here. Play that one here and then we... No. We want that one here. All who have a Bible in them house again, put your 2-1 in a year. Before Chronic Law go to prison, invite that tune here for me. Let me show you who vice this song. Chemist, come here someone. Chemist! Chemist! This is my dog. When you see them youth, then they produce big rhythm in New York. Out of New York. Chemist, you remember when you press play for record that one, yeah? Remember? Tune!
Yo, King Addies, celebrate life cause we still alive. Kingpin, soldier vibes, win a team. Nico Glock, Ben Zombie, McLean. Who think we could have flopped?
But just take my time, kill them.
God still alive, Bible I read.
Level! All who believe in God, wave!
King Addies pray this morning. One bag of chanting. Firm and planted. Blessing us and flow like fountain. Watch out now. This morning. Kingpin. One bag of chanting. Soldier. One thing we know. King Addies have birth. What you feel worried about? Maybe things you can do without any
Level. Me want Antigua sing this song for me now.
Sun a shine till the place dark out.
All who know you brush your teeth before you come out here tonight. Somebody sing that tune here loud. Loud! Me just take my time, kill them 1-1. And there's the next thing now. Javi, big up yourself. National, where you there? Me see National with him, girl them. Soldier of him, woman. I don't know, I have my, yeah. From time reach, not people. People spreading not even so. You never look upon a girl yet and say, psst. Nothing at all. But they are big up I do on you. Anywhere I do on you go, you know you see the wife, Kim. Big up Kim in my place. You can't roll with them man, you're a batty man, you roll by yourself. And you look a pillow them at night, you're a batty boy. All who's a batty boy if you dead, say yes. John!
Them Addies, the international.
Speed it up!
Play fine. All the New York girls say that's what you want to just put them in the ear. And just have mercy. It's like boom bye bye in a batty boy head. Who wanna promote the nasty man, them off it dead. Boom bye bye in a batty boy head. Addies massive, tell me now. Why two man hug up on a kiss up and a lay down in a bed? Hug up on another and a rub down leg. Send for the matic and the Uzi instead.
Level!
Batty boy come make we shot.
Level! All who say be a satisfied, go and go put your hands up. Nobody hands is up. So what that mean, Antigua? What it mean?
When Addies around the marathon, I'm gonna run it. Tell the boy them on down the place, I'm gonna burn it. Over the blood clot, them a did matter on. If you have a face, line up, boy. I know for assignment, them get a little bit accomplished. Why they got about a split? Now do no practice. I know so you make tune, I know so you find it. Like a lot of enemy, I go pick up and give way. I am the trade master who teach apprentice.
Level. The boy run for play all of my cartel them. Big up Vice Cartel. You know what some fest? It was who? Vice Cartel and who? All Gaza fans to 1.5 year. All Gully Side fans to 1.5 year. Let me show y'all something. When it comes to Dubplate, King Addies in a ramp. This is Vice Cartel and Movado. Combo to bumbo like you said, pussy.
Gangster for life, you know what I say? Hey, war teacher.
Crime late.
Listen music.
Once more again. Gangster for life, the war is on tour again. Addy, we make one time, boy. Slap with 4 of them. Addy, not take no talk. Hey, 90s.
What me do with them tonight? When me shoot them?
Them ask you, I, my ragga fly in the sky. I, to ask why. God, them a spy with him to bullseye. These don't fear no guy. Them ask why, my ragga.
Level! All the real Vice Cartel, all kinds of fans.
I. This you get gunshot. Say fair, a AK na me and me gunshot.
Level! Hear him now. Me a play out all your massacre. Nigga, if you have over 70 massacre, you can't chat to Addies, you idiot.
What time them one day we go feel in the King Addies? I we have to show them so we have bodies over again. Fuck it up until the end. Setting place on fire again.
Just play it, Sean.
King Addies till the end. They set the place on fire again. King Addies. Different type of killer, we no pretend strike a different type of pussy.
What the pussy them have tonight?
I'm sounding a bad people sounding. I tell them don't play them.
What them have?
A dead wish. Oh. If only could sound.
Stop. I didn't realize there's only 12 seconds left. Me feel like just get rid of one of the songs them with the pussy them love play. Just get rid of one song with them love play.
Time.
We win the round, man.
Time. Oh, okay.
Governor, big up yourself.
Go on. Okay, all right.
This is disappointing.
Give it up for King Addies.
Antigua, where's for King Addies now round
Next. All right.
King Addies, 15 minutes. So Jazzy, who we have next for them 15 minutes?
We have the big bad bass Odyssey.
Okay.
Now, let me address something. Bass Odyssey, if your console not working, you're welcome to go over that side. Fair enough.
Hey, in Antigua.
We not waste no time.
Yes.
We not waste no time.
This is neutral ground, so who win?
That is it. We don't want nobody complain about control and
We're
rate.
not in New York, we're not in Jamaica.
You go over there, go play. Simple.
Hey, in Antigua, one thing name no sorry day. So who they there? Bass Odyssey, you ready?
Make we welcome on stage.
Jazzy, hold on. Them a set it.
Oh, make them set it.
Stop playing me.
Make them set it. Make sure it's working.
Yo, you can use that controller if you want.
Yeah, no problem.
You can use that
go for blood clot there.
No sorry day.
Jazzy?
Alright, him say what he want to say, so.
The man them pick them poison.
Alright, sir.
So what happen over there? Happen over there.
You ready, Bass Odyssey?
Hold on, Jazzy.
Alright.
Hey, Jazzy, take time. Big up One World. Big up
Big
Jazzy.
up to One World. Big up everybody who was at PLAYA PRIVADA last night. History. I remember next year, you know. A big news drop. We're told there. Big up John Ross in our building. Big up Chemist.
Joe.
Big up Govey. Diddy. We're not saying not Diddy. We're born out Diddy. I Diddy down, yeah. Yeah. Big up to Stark Ashley at the place too.
Hey,
you understand? And what I know? Maypen down in the place. The general from Maypen. John Ross. Big up yourself, John Ross. Big up Father Chow. A whole heap of people flying for that, you know.
You big up Governor too?
Oh, you mean?
Yeah, I can tell you something that you don't know. Antigua people have followed Governor from since him name Diablo. You think Governor bad? A Diablo just run Antigua, dog. All who follow Governor from Diablo days, Bossa Blanc, let me see.
All right.
You haunted?
Hey.
Antigua no normal place when it comes to music.
She said she fly from Jamaica, come here.
You fly from Jamaica? Which part of Jamaica you fly from, big? St. Elizabeth Junction area?
Father Chow place.
Oh, you don't know, come off a bomber clad stage, you don't know, call me out.
Oh, hold on, stop. Spread it. You're not going this way now.
No, I'm not this way.
Oh, okay. Just check it.
I wait for now.
You're ready now. Okay.
Hey, so this is...
We was waiting on Bass Odyssey. Everybody in Antigua, give it up for Bass Odyssey again. 15 minutes. Bass Odyssey.
That's it. People don't want to see war, you know. They don't want you waste them time. Yeah, they don't want you waste them fucking time. Big up, I did down here. That's what the Diddy mean. Not the Diddy will live on New York side of Kingpin. Okay? Because me no live in New York and I don't live in New York. Good. So I could get that out of the way. National, never disrespect you. You know that already. You're my brother. So Kingpin don't fuck up the game. We don't talk nothing when I go so. Because we don't want tomorrow people to talk about we are national live bad. No. People, this is how we do our thing. Now, war me come. I'm going to tell them two dopey but Tom and Jerry already said. Me are the new gunman in town. I'm not come to take no chat from no boy. Me not care where them live, where them born, where them grow. We call this gun moment National Rifle.
What's that? Anyway.
National Mission Rifle moment.
Some boy know them are
no boy can't program this motherfucker. Hey boy.
Your little chatty, tired it up full of pure shit. Should I name Bruce?
How name Soji?
We kill all our defenders.
How name Soji? A while ago him said if I step if me a step. Pussy Kingpin.
Question time.
See me up.
Hey boy.
See me up.
You ever bill a copper shot out of 1 cent? You ever par with this or this year the president? Make one
Bumbuckler, yo, Mario. Murder sound for free, for fun, for no.
Pussy me and a coward. Are you saying if you step a while ago?
Yes, I see.
People are what me do? How me do?
Tell some pussy. Fat shot, fat fatty. The chica work, we no top clatty. The pussy them, yo, them know we fire shot in a face. Them talk tough, them a feet top bar.
Hey boy.
Cause we a fire shot in a pussy body. We no left we gun as me get up, me put it on me.
Voila.
Inna the head, put it on your belly, charge it.
Dirty boy, you know see touch them around here, them there.
Boy.
National, give me one custom.
Say this. And a bad general attack. Oi there. Yeah, watch it now. Tell them. Say a war we fly in for. That mean Bass Odyssey a charge for murder. Kill the renter dread them way and yam for a burger. We a go kill Queen Addies. Nothing can save them. I'll if them vice 51 mad spider. Oh, Addies you think a joke. We a go kill the renter.
National. Me no want no more song and stop with me I go through. Me and your bumbuckler war tonight with them. You know it go. People, that one of them do as I say, National Talk Show, press play.
Fam, you never fuck about it for your band, for your band, for your band. Me want to hear gunshot in the ear now, here now, here now. Fam, you never fuck about it for your band, for your band, for your band. Me They want to hear gunshot in the ear now. Here now. Bass a dusty from you know. In a body man, and you know bow. Bust gunshot in the ear.
You ready? National, put speed on it. Put some bumper speed on it. National, look round here, so. Hey, boys.
This is not a phone call, but the erase and ball. Got him rise and tall, shot him, kill, but him and
how is this?
woman tall, cocky them real.
How is this?
Sell out themselves too much.
Batty boy.
Yes, so this is tell them say, hey, you. Take a good look, be a so this is blood clot near me not the good book.
Hey, boy.
No, so I can't tell me how
you think me come here for friend here? Dirty rent and dread when you're pussy.
Yeah, you got this thing now, them get squinting class. Mom squinting glass. None of them know you know be a this is so class.
See, you see up to the time, you know.
If I worry about him, can't tell them.
That was up on the list.
Pussy, I worry about them. Dirty boy.
Informer can't know where me keep my stash and where me hide my cash. Them can't know if my...
one. Right there, one. Them not know where escaping at this competition.
That motherfucker don't know what the fuck he's doing. Hey, boy!
Well, me I tell them about Senton. Down the base of this shit, them come from any.
One time. Hey, yo, already. What?
National.
Jack, carry we.
Me want you wake up the wall of the rifle. Don't waste the time.
Tell them. This little thing base on the rip pop it off. Grease up the pin, select the thing on the shot. Off. You them want them on it. No. Them return your head in. You build it down in a bed and the top lick off.
And on New York, this is the whole of your little friend them each up in a corner. Antigua, this is where the whole of the gunman them come from. Neutral ground, where we come? Why?
I'm not going to a circus, I'm not going to a fair. If the straight murderation base of this will be there. Killing some fun, that is our affair.
Easy,
my competition with the crowd affair. Yes, I this is Damien.
What me out?
One time worm, Lexi, Dwayne, Kid.
Him say me not big up God. Me do that a war me come.
Well, it's a this inspired by God. Him gave us the powers to work.
I want some pussy, already my pray. When you don't know, I'm mad, Mr. Elton.
Remember them gun and a normal.
So, well, hey, the maddest thing I've been.
Kingpin, why you say you?
I'm gonna pussy. Yes, I see them a boss a gun when you your ass Tita-pull. Rifle in your face, Tita-pull.
They get defeat one time, Dwayne. Motherfucking niggas, you know. It's all on the 5-star general.
National Antigua this. Remember good.
Well, yes, I say we no afraid of no boy, you we not fear no guy.
Even the Charlie Black stairs, so that doing.
I saw me why you dash them way.
Check.
And the real bomber sound killer this. Run the national.
Well, I know we tell the boy them come straight, and I know we make them run up in our guns the other day. I know we make but sound no left them machine too far.
All right.
Yes, so this is ready when you're ready for the war. Batman no take, I'll give Batman this car. Who don't care less who they are. Yes, so this is bad
level.
We are ready when the enemy ready for war.
National. Remember, we don't have to talk what we bad. We do this in a real life. Kingpin. Me tell you, say tonight me no come for war like the regular war then. Notice when me come here, me not talk about certain things. And you come here and batty up the war. We not do that something there, brother. Not even joke around them blood clots something there. All I man them straight. Put up your left hand something see you. National, run them.
Enough son boy not go like that show ya. Just show them no say ya them will be far. Show them a hypocrite and backbiter. That's why this is tell them. Son boy go suck your mama. Suck your mama. Suck your mama.
Hey boy.
Just go suck your mama. Suck your mama.
Level. Never you trust a man who grow locks on him head. Sleep on the bed. Pussy. Soldier tell the whole of your secret them, you know. After this, you got poison blood clot, soldier, you know. Cause soldier tell my when me pussy one soldier walk and tell everybody where Kingpin do, where him sleep, where him wear, where him dress. Polyphemus attack a wish girl him and name. Rasta boy! When you see me style me as your father, how we know you?
Suck pussy sound, stop go like you tough. Cause your gal a beat you with jazz, you a cough.
Every bad man bust it up. Respect
You
a
see him?
Benz.
Well, we say some boy can't get no girl if them not eat. Some boy not say nothing cause they not eat. Mariana tell me, Susie a tell me, Keisha tell me, Anika tell we say them boy they can't get no girl if them not eat. Enough boy not.
National.
And them a do it.
See the bomber clad song here when them afraid of.
Want to them yes, I see. Show bomber clad. When we walk out, we let the dog out. Chat off, cause a shot in your out. When we walk out, pussy body chalk out. Yes, I see. Run no ras up. Girl see we are not back.
Me tell you already say. No batty boy no play bass Odyssey. No bum cat no play that. Antigua, see it here.
Yeah. BS Odyssey. Hill sound. White test. Get gun down. Represent for the lords of yard. Y'all alone a beat up.
From them a bar in a chichi man.
National fire shot.
BS Odyssey.
Fire.
BS Odyssey.
Push it on this.
No boy can't half a we kick up and half a we back. No boy can't try trim with dreadlock. Bring the woman come because we sex them hot. And no girl can't say we put we head on the frog.
No dear kingpin no bad like my blood clot clocks when me away. Pussy me driver come in Antigua ya. But no blood clot.
When they say this in the blood clot place, nobody sound to look up now with blood clot. You know what fiberglass them now with blood clot. Them say me do it again. Me do it again. When they say this in the blood clot place, I can see gas that broke them on the blood.
Me tell you already. I'm being bad people there.
Yes, this is why murder them blood clot. Tell them the one your name blood clot. Look back when you can go push your fat cat. Tell them all I tell me you're the mouth all of foot frat. But out and make me come cross. Son boy feed me.
Them pussy they not kill nobody. Who him kill? Who him say him kill? He ever kill a yet? Eh? Pussy you have a dream border. You and your friend them have a dream border. National. When we come to Antigua, we don't come here for chat to boy. Remember good.
BS Odyssey. Uncle Mark, Quincy.
No chat to not take from boy.
Uncle Mark, post all them now learn.
Hostel
qualified. Stand firm. BS Odyssey. Touch the road, clip them loads, bring touch the clothes. Very proud of
Yes! BS Odyssey is back from we born. And that's why we go on. Where we were born. The whole world won. Change back from him born. And that's why him born.
National.
And if them want.
Are you on me party?
Turn on
outside.
Anyway, BS Odyssey play. Thunder fight.
I never Odyssey, I never. Odyssey, I never. I never killing time.
Me a tell them no fuck with the sound.
Select. Hey. Ready man ready.
You're ready now.
Man ready.
National, you ready?
Ready man ready.
National.
BS Odyssey sound. Kill off everything right now cause I ready man ready. Skellington ready, Wally Remington steady. Rifle a chop out them belly and jelly pot.
Pussy mouth.
Boy if you know here.
Pussy mouth.
You not kill nobody you talk you what talk. Lift up me man 90 bark like a dog.
Pussy mouth.
Rifle a bark like a dog. 90 ya bark like a dog.
Level. Kingpin, this one is for fucking you. I said, Kingpin, this one is for fucking you.
You know what thing going on? You're doing me on the lenge. You're very more. Lex, you're work.
Don't you Kingpin? This one is for you.
Jump on. Them boy, they used to clash. Them now no dubplate. They want play like trash. The lenge, but they make them brain a splash. Yeah, BS Odyssey sound. Now this some jump on. How them if you want clash it on? Them man no sound killer. One of them a batty man. You know select.
Antigua with a national. Don't have this bomb clock.
BS Odyssey show. Yeah.
How we do it?
Yeah. Ho.
National.
Yeah.
Bomber clot at 2027 now come.
Up in that
any pussy violate.
Yo, BS Odyssey, tell them. Bang. BS Odyssey, bang, boom. Bang. BS Odyssey, bang, boom.
We are the
tool.
We are the
tool.
We are the
Lingy. Hot tool. Worm. Taxi. Hot tool. Watch this. BS Odyssey. Murder sound with the bang, boom.
We not come here for beg for a national. Them your voice before the artist know away.
Tell them, say. BS Odyssey are the champ right now.
Kill a sound in the dance right now. Yeah. Finna run them off your plan right now. Be a this here the dance right now. Yeah. Jump on in the coffee when the earth pass.
The pussy say we not playing a new song.
Class. The lingy kill the pussy them here.
National.
Couple things we love, you know. Be a this here, you know what? Boom. More money, more gun, more shot. Glock 35 with the chrome. Knock it if we see your roll back. Worm in the bomber, him a clear heavy room.
Let them go.
My murder on the sun, I wanna know that. Pussy. What I wanna know.
I know New York, this pussy one. Antigua this.
Son boy, you feel it down flat. Don't get up back. Friend, they will be party, don't take off chat.
All the one that will stand upside down, friend.
Alright then, the ninja. You know them and no bad man found to be a DC. Base a DC, some son boy you feel dead. We hear them a make talk. Base a DC, they make pop. And people life last. We bought the blood.
What kind of season? What kind of season?
Base a DC with different.
National. What type of season?
I'm in there, I'm going to build, I'm going to chill. And I watch some sound and get killed. Base a DC.
What the people that can't defend yourself? You see tonight?
Killing mood now. This is a killer blood clot sound boy.
We're killing mood now.
Killer sound and collect the front now. This is in the place.
Yes, I see.
We not the pussy say we don't know nothing about war. You don't see a dance man around the street. Hey boy.
But shot in the pussy them face. We not take press. Them sound no know about me. Place at this back of the sound.
Out for place. Out for place,
Rich bad in this space, I see them style big Ben spark up and elastic punk. Kill them, kill some.
One round.
Them file be a sound, them kill.
Look good.
A juvenile base, I see run the group. A worldwide.
People, why would I want to make a man see me everywhere I go? That is confusing them. Oh, I'm saying national with female girl and say every man in them girl. I don't see spread the glory in them girl. Pussy, why you interested if you see me and my girl? Eh? Me not want a man see which girl me a par with. I saw me do my thing. When me a roll, me not roll with people. Dirty boy. Dirty boy. Hey boy.
Hey watch out. Over last do what the last when me draw a line, nobody no cross step. We do it in no matter what nobody wants it. Hey best of this, we no care what them attack say. See as a juvenile, grandmaster.
National.
Dead, he no fi dash it.
He ma worry about killer. Pussy out this.
Sean, well, tell them up one yes, and they say you're not one Godzilla. Anyway, them killing machine this bomber cloud from one bomber cloud column.
Wait, so one more left? Alright, put it on the turntable. We could get rid of that national. Bomber cloud. Cause last time I left, we could time get it when I left. None. Go. Yeah. No. No, we're not gonna so. Yeah.
Time. That is it,
okay. Alright, my brother.
Time. Alright, hey.
Deal with it, my brother.
Theatric lighting. We are do this quick and fast. We're not even waste no time. Okay? Turn on the lights quick and fast. Hey, light man up top there. Lock off that one there so I can see clearly. Yeah. Yeah, man. On a stage show tonight, a clash. By the show of hands, all who say King Addies win the round, the two hands. Hands me I work with. Not nice, hands. I'm more the sound them watch, because me I do this once. Take them down. By the show of hands, all who say BS Odyssey win the round, they show me hand. King Addies 2, BS Odyssey 0. Me now waste no time. Moving right along. Next round, hold on. Let me tell them, December 12th, it's all about Sound Lion versus Exorcist. Next round.
December 12th.
Yeah, December 12th.
December 12th. All right.
Sound Lion versus Exorcist.
Yeah.
Right in Antigua. So look out for that. The next round is what? 10 minutes, right?
People, me don't not too forward out there. You know why? Me don't want them say, because me a selector too. Big up Poison Dart. Big up to Stonewall too. You understand? Family.
Jazzy.
Yeah.
You do this some long time and you set the road for youths like me.
Yeah,
me a select our clash too.
Yeah.
And no man no fi carry feelings in a clash. Either you play good or you're dead.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
Right now we give it up now. The third round is one now.
No, 10 minutes that round.
This is the fourth round.
Yes.
10 minutes.
Yes.
And then after this, tune for tune.
We have one more 10, then tune for tune. So it's 2 10 minutes.
Quick and fast.
Yes.
All right.
Let me take a trip, go Brooklyn. Antigua, if you're ready for King Addies, make some noise. King Addies.
All who say boys of the sea is embarrassing themselves, say yes. No, say it louder. I want them to hear you. Them can't hear. Say it again. All who say them are embarrassed themselves, say yes. That's embarrassing, my boy. The dog vex with me, you know. We go yell him up, the dog vex. But I saw it go. Big up yourself, Spready. This doesn't even make sense again, because he's not good. Let's be real, he's just not good. You know what, too? Let me show you something. You say him chat too much. Let me show you skill. I'll put down the microphone for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And just play a tune. Soldier, you mind me play a couple songs? Let me show them. Me can play a song too. Me can play some couple songs, Soldier. Put down the microphone real quick. Play some songs, Pin. Just like this. Start it like this, Pin.
They know. D-Bone says so. Love and hate can never be friends. Whoa, no. Whoa, no. Here at this count with a lot of dubplates and not 45s. Come along now and I dig this song, yeah. Hey, boy, look at it. Too much deep and sound. Happiest Addies ya go day. So quiet day. Happiest Addies ya go day. Hear me now. Good break. Oh, it's a shame I sound feeling pain. Oh, it's a shame I sound feeling pain. This King Addies them gone down the drain. This King Addies them gone down the drain. Say Addies a kill again. Me sorry see them a go day. We slow, sha la 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 la, la. We slow, sha la 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 la. So no absence, I this selector with the be a hit it. In that. Hey, whoa, scene, whoa, oh well. I from Mr. LeBron at this sound and I burn me ganja pipe.
One to them boy, they 1 5 pass smoke it. Not a mercy. After all, motherfucking niggas wrong my name you call. Well, son boy, make me tell you this straight. Addies we kill you. Kill you. Kill you.
Boy, all of New York style, the whole of Brooklyn style. Yeah, this one is that rude boy's choice.
For my son boy tonight. Addies sound all the gunman them crying for. Have mercy. Hear all the Addies massive. You don't shock them.
Sounds for dead. Addies, you're not. Murderous Addies are wicked every time. Big up every face, a good friend of mine. All large too. Rhythm jack same time. Over get bigger, get bigger. Over get smaller, smaller. All right, swell. Tell us sound go to L. Rhythm jack set speed. Me tell you, Addies in the venue. The wicked every time. All the mercy. All of them then massive. Hear me now. I hold pan most then in your eye. Sound boy time is longer than rope. Yeah, this the great Addies, you know we must bust your choke. Cause you pick up yourself in a competition and can't defend it. We just want a bam bam. Get going up on the line. Addies a murderer. Addies a slaughterer. Addies. Hear the boy them to know. No respect, disrespect in all aspects. Some boy don't know who them are deal with. Them is stop and check. No respect, disrespect in all aspects. Some boy know.
Addies. Informer dead you know. Watch ya, Jimmy. Junior people get murdered. Watch ya when I like Informer. King Addies say, I got your spy that feed I cup a shot in on them heart or in on them.
Anyway, Matt Cabra kill no one question after this. Let me tell him about Addies. Anyway, let me tell him. Alright. Indeed, my friend, none of this we not laugh. Enough time we make me some other earth start. Come test Addies son, why you with that dead pussy clot? Whoa yo.
You said this wish him never born.
Passy get ready. Tonight, King Addies, you're too daily. Alright, Johnny. Oh, well, no, kill him again now. This and this then again now. Don't be them up. Hey, this and this cool, them getting confused now. They think King Addies when them know that they lose now. So King Addies drop the bomb when them can't defuse. I murder them again now. This and this then again now. Don't be them up. Hey.
5 minutes is done. 5 minutes done. All who said the 5 minutes, me just play go on good say yes. If it's one thing me know about Antigua, Antigua is a ganja man place. All who smoke ganja 2 1 in a year, super cat.
Don't show your face, King Addies, them can't stop you. Last time, you know. Yeah. Lord of mercy. Watch out. I'm on some special dedication.
Legal. Legal shot. Make gunshot fire about ya. All who are here again say yes.
Don't show your face, King Addies, them can't stop you. Last time, you know. Yeah. Lord of mercy. Watch out. I'm on some special dedication to all sound killer. Whether you live in the Bronx, Queens or Brooklyn area. From your buck up in Addies, your buck up sound slaughterer. King Addies, rock you lots of world sound killer.
All who are here next super cat say yes. Cause it's not just one, you know. Me can't find a next bad one. What me I do with BS Odyssey? No.
Sound boy fix.
What me I do with this? No.
Are we running here about from New York to Hollywood? Cause we are gonna murder that. We are gonna murder that and now on this spot. We are gonna murder that.
You know what, oh? Just because I feel like it. Play another super cat.
Hear this. I'm going to talk about black cat and a rascal cat.
Play a next super cat.
That dead and got a dove cat.
When I sound like Addies. Nah, idiot.
Big champion son from United States. Sit down 9 face. I tell him.
Why me I beat them?
Because them always oppose up a lie. Them think them can test me.
Y'all niggas ain't no good, son. If this was probably La Playa, the concert you would have played good. But this clash shit, y'all niggas, this ain't for y'all. Not everybody is good in clash. And you just have to accept it. Not everybody is good. Let me show off some more now. Cause the pussy them not a song like me. The artist you pass and gone. We call him an ancestor of reggae music. All who rate gone and sick to one in a blood clot here now. Kill them.
There's just a from over down, 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 well. Glory be to the highest. Knee shall bow and every tongue shall tell you.
Be a Odyssey. Be a Odyssey. Who not dead, you know? And you know the worst part? You know the worst part? Me didn't even play this yet.
Banana Tutu. Rhythm. New York, Bronx, Brooklyn, man, at the world of people. Not a mercy. Not a mercy. On this party borderline. Not a mercy. People dead same time. But tequila talk. Addies got no child, logic, no child.
When me done with this, Spready don't want to see no more clash again. It's over. It's over. It's over. Spready. Imagine the people them say you're dead and me no play it. Matter of fact, no. Don't play it from there. All who say Spready and be said it's dead. Say dead. Bounty, what you say?
People dead. Hey, not a mercy. King Addies will make you wicked, so not a mercy. New York, Bronx, Brooklyn, and Queens jump down the world of people. Big up. Easy baby face who shot going down when she was laced.
Spready, me didn't even beat me kids like this. I don't even beat me kids them this bad. You're pussy.
Man, me get me foot, them the run. Get me and me pick up everything where they are going. Get me finger, be buzzy gun. So boy no run, then go gun give you gun. Boy no run, bounty.
Hear him, don't run a bounty joke. Pussy, your bounty killer song bad like mine.
Give you gun, come
all the red bounty.
Addies no Cub Scout, we no just get with cute, but we from
Time!
Antigua wanna say for King Addies.
Time!
Yes, Odyssey John here. Clock, the place rowdy now, Jazzy.
Place get dark, you know.
You haunted?
The place dark, you know.
Yeah, man, we are gonna take a trip, go Saint, and the place will get dark around here, man. These are the 10-minute round.
10 minutes, all right.
10 minutes. Bust the crowd and live. Flop and dead. Simple maths. Press a effect when you're ready, because I don't want to chat too much. You haunted?
You ready?
Wow. Pick up the whole of MP.
Right,
that is it.
They're ready.
Be a Odyssey out of Jamaica.
Antigua, be a Odyssey 10 minutes.
Okay, Jazzy. I tell y'all when the fucking dance don't want to hear nobody say what them want to say. We saying what we saying. National! But be so this is from blood clot sentence. And me don't tell you, rumbling in a blood clot jungle. 10 minutes now. National, get to work!
Exclusive! Aye! Yeah, man, I'm not seen this before, man. They never get it so yet. And then might never see it again.
Clarendon, sing them
take
come
that one
up
out.
here.
Yes,
Fuck it up!
Cockatee! Alongside Freddie McGregor.
Are you so we are starting, National?
Whoa, oh, yeah.
Them see how the road this. National, let me hear some song. Let me hear them.
Chewing in, bass, I sing along.
Who are you going to Nashi?
Chewing in.
Tony up the man. Tony, keep it up there. Level. Me say me don't care about the boy now the girl. Pussy all enter me first clash this. I come me comfy war. Start it.
Why so many soundboys wanna see bass on this? Start murdering someone.
Someone feel like a chatting machine. Someone feel like a chatting machine.
Playing with some jumping sounds again.
Everybody song them there, you know.
And just wait, they thought they could get through.
See them we are national.
Bass Odyssey kill them off it true on my own. I try to make the best of
national. National. We've been doing this for we idea we need. I want to put them pussy and we are a chat. And then now kill nobody. I want bass on this. Antigua here.
Bass Odyssey coming true.
See it.
Many did try to test the big bad Bass Odyssey sound, yes.
Who?
Many will try, but I know they're doomed to die.
Not thinking, boy.
Some fool went to the bank with John's money.
What up?
Thinking that's what it takes to control Bass Odyssey down. Bass Odyssey kill sound and have the world dancehall jumping.
I want this in the national. Let me hear it. Let it go. Bad people.
Bass Odyssey, them a talk about them have no heart. And they murder people without second thought. You a talk about them have no heart. And you murder murder people all without a cause. Them is a fraud, give them a pause. Them can't say them bed lucky or say them stalled. When all them head drop on the asphalt. And them lily blood. Let me just calm it up. Let me just calm it up.
Doesn't matter what you playing on some boy.
As long as you're not playing
right, you will die tonight.
Right, that's enough shit.
So when you give peace, I see you fight and try to come take our crown.
Give me boxing up.
Slow down.
Oh, you want like police up?
Hey boy.
I'm on the line, you know.
Big up all who love and respect yourself. Every Antigua, see that.
Till I'm laid to rest, yeah. Always be depressed, place and this is the best. No other sound can test. All the propaganda them said, don't get African face. A sound is in bondage, living is a mess.
National.
Yeah, that's alright.
The pussy at the bar, we can't play no song. Miss Alright at the wheel and drop off nothing. See that?
Watch me. I say tribute to Selassie, I the great emperor who rule the whole world, the world in entire. Selassie the greatest king, that's from about ever. Only king wake up and back of field with him soldier Selassie. Raise him rod, peer lightning and thunder. All ballad of him bow in front of every rasta. Some man no sit down with no warmonger who believe in iniquity and a back.
Level National. Remember me did tell him said don't make blood clot soldier come war, you know. Cause him them bring for war me. Kingpin take me advice. Cause he don't want to be embarrassed. And then put soldier behind the turntable. I tell him I dare if he make blood clot soldier war with me. People, me come here for war, me say. And me a national alone. We not come here with nobody. National, you see them two pussy there.
Don't worry. Squingy. This is original tip and two by Ninja for long.
National! You see them two dumpy there? You see them two dumpy there? Warn them!
I'm sitting here in limbo, Lord, waiting for my dice to roll. Roll, roll. This is sitting here in limbo, waiting for my time to play.
Get rid of them, baby boy.
Yeah.
Who goes?
Yes, you've been putting up a resistance, but I know based on this is how we'll lead the way.
From 1819 now, never popped up. Who goes?
I go and show them the coffin, then me show them the haze. Make them know what I want.
Me say big up all I man, them a love pussy. Antigua man, them remember.
Ragamuffin, don't be silly. Put some rubbers, man, no willy.
I hate to go round and we don't want
to get you. Rude boys, don't be silly. Rubbers, man, no willy.
National attend, get rid of them.
Life is precious when you don't have it, Philip.
Me say big up all I man, them can defend your blood clot self. Anyway we walk, we got no left way.
Yes, so that's it, tell them, stand up on the panel and tell them, say, come on, bad men, wicked men, not take man fit all.
Me a big locking on me and more kill and destroy.
Murder your mama, make your papa start cry. Police,
la playa.
Why, mama, your son, him a go die. 21 cap a shot, blow the jump and sky high. I sing that when, mama, your son,
National.
Die black about.
I know who have the bounty killer them. How who can play them?
Believe in a day.
Remember, we have the whole of the good one them.
Anywhere we well down to earth. Put down the minds and take off.
Put somebody upon the National. Dirty boy.
Base of this cigar knock. So you, we gonna take interview. You get from your decent shoes less on the coat. No,
who do we gonna take interview?
Go to my dad,
the National.
Well, you can go around. This is my show.
But people from Antigua. Man from what?
Them silly. Me finger now safety you no fear. Shut the reserve and magazine pan spare. To the space and this then your life is a play. A big bad man a talk loud and clear. Me finger now safety you no fear. Shut the reserve and magazine pan spare.
National.
Face and this then
the pussy a talk about the generation. Tell him.
Face and this them a go tired to see your face. Comfortable when them a fight for your space.
Holy come on, they want to
check it. Now go put them away.
How them? Talk to boy.
Face and this them bright and face the outer outer.
Remember the gun them where we are fire, you know. I know the same one them where your friend give you.
Remember this.
Yes, and they say, new gun with shot, Odyssey, them burst. All informers,
say,
so
them
dead first. New gun with shot, we
cry for me if you're national.
Them gun, them not pick neither. You to be your informer, that is not a nice word. Your time not there for your life, it don't.
National.
And then you were going.
One gunshot, a rich kingpin on him front. Hey, boy.
Hear me, and when gunshots start, beat like rock and roll. Flat on me belly with me clock and roll. M16 clap, why hard beats stop.
Criminal.
Spin like when the ball back a goal. Well, now it up here like it up our soul.
I could get rid of it.
Put a hat or goal. Me AK we sing like a calypso. Have the boy a jump and a tip so. Well, me no in and no go.
Pull up.
National. Listen to what me I say now. First clash. I come up here to do what I gotta do. War in blood clot name. So when you come a war, shot a fire, you have to can defend your blood clot self. This is the greatest sound ever made on planet Earth. Me say, if I come over here, everybody I say, all these places, all these places. So me come for war. Me come up for war. So people, me bring song with me. Big up the whole of country. Sentence to Kingston. All our country people, them put on the hand them so.
Boys in the tune I'm about to play is a bass and this is
Put me on the national. Put me on the national. Put some speed on the song national. National volume. Volume round them one.
This is the great nice and this is out of Alexandra. In the hills of St. John.
What do you want to plan the ganta?
Big up round Madras and round a Endeavour.
We touch on which man?
Better than Murray Mountain, St. Baker, Charleston, Inverness and straight to America. Kia Valley, Indian Town and Mount Maria.
Big up all I man them know you who are that? No boy. No girl no tell you what to do. Big up Father Keith. One general. National Antigua. Soon sang ya.
Send me a report land. That's the board land. Base Odyssey. Yo. The man them with them when I gun just bust it up now. And shot some pussy what they
because we hear them
about. Well, enough of a seaman and enough of them a fuck cow. And even if them with them, go kill them anyhow. You're not go, you're not. We so out with it. We see them all last night, but them are no friend, them a fuck. Shot them not them face and make it exit through your top.
National. The pussy play one song I never know the counteraction there. National, kill the Capitan. Kill him song National. Get rid of that National.
The wind turn up the flame. Gunshot in a them a row. Addies a got dead like Junko. Them a row. Them living like pigs and
Time.
Hola, man. Hey, Soji, calm down. Jazzy.
Hey man, say a counteraction.
Theatric lighting, turn on the lighting of the crowd quick and fast. No sorry there tonight. Jazzy, I want you watch the crowd. Because we now do this one time and move.
Look, I got me there for look.
All who say King Addies take that round, the two hands in the ear. Hands me I work with, not nice. Hands. Okay, put them down. All who say BS Odyssey take that one, they put your two hands in the ear. Okay, even Ray Charles can see.
Clear.
King Addies 3, BS Odyssey 0. No sorry there.
So, yes, I go now. Because the two sound, them say them want to play right through, you know.
Yo, listen to me, bro.
That mean the sound them have to decide now.
All right, hold on there. Them I got decide now. We are MC, we are a judge. The people are the judge.
That is it.
So make we come off a stage and make them address themselves.
King Addies.
People.
Welcome, King Addies.
All who say BS say they're 209 a year. All who say them for lock off and go home 209 a year. People, if you want me to play more songs, me will play them for you, you know. But BS say blood clot dead. Talk the things now. Talk it now. Talk the things now. All who say them dead, say dead. Say dead. All right, have a good night. People, me play some more song. Big up my friend from Jamaica. Long time in a see you. It's a great thing to see you again. Spready, have a good night. I'm out of here. People, we can't play one more song going on my yard. One more. We can't play one more song and go home. Or you want me to keep playing more song? Or keep playing. Or keep playing.
Man style. Addies, the foundation sound. Long time you've been around. You know the ups, you know the downs. From Livonia, East New York, here comes Addies. The only
Them say keep playing. Them say keep playing. Keep playing. And that you say. Keep playing. Be a Odyssey. God Almighty, you're not dead, you fuck. Dead.
Yeah, all massive. Well,
dead.
Big up this tomorrow. Addies, don't worry. Don't worry, no. No, 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 no. Oh me, oh my, a DB sound bound to die. Oh me, oh my, I'm gonna tell you why. Oh me.
People, the Addies fans them. This is my style. May I take 2 requests? May I take some requests in our blood clot clash? What do you want to hear? Somebody tell me a song you don't want to hear from Addies Dub Box. You want to hear the Fugees? Watch this. Hold on, stop. Hold on. The dog say you want to hear the Fugees. Watch how me kill them. You said the Fugees? You know the lady that used to sing in the Fugees, you remember her name? You remember her name? But this is what Lauryn Hill has to say about Bass Odyssey.
Strumming dubplates with their fingers. Addies kill sounds with their song.
Listen.
Killing the sound boy, Bass Odyssey. Addies kill sound boy.
Wanna to play the song now?
Bounty killer refugees and King Addies.
Wanna to play the
killer
song?
Refugees and King Addies.
King Addies rule the world. We kill all them sounds.
What?
We kill them, baby. Kill sound boy and girl. King Addies rule.
Oh no, listen, Lauryn Hill no, Lauryn Hill.
Kill them, baby.
How many sound do we kill on a deadliest? Send me money, send me many.
Yes, I see you now. No, your dub box bad, son. Nothing at all.
Yo, I get mad frustrated when I rhyme. Thinking of all them crews that try to kill us for all the wrong reasons. Seasons change, mad things be range, but Addies stay the same like the love.
Some fi get killed any means anyhow. Some way Addies him a go murder them now. She let her head a tear like a pop show. So
the people them say be a Odyssey for lock off. So what me I do in I morning now?
Cheers. What else that? King Addies, struggle with your dub, make it on them. Cause I know you go tell nobody say run them.
This King Addies and tonight we done them. Are the bounty killer where you play?
The dog will tell me about bounty killer. Yeah, bounty killer like Addies were bad, so.
Well, you see Addies not like no chucky. If you diss me one time and don't then you lucky. Big gun.
Only cause me rate Father Keith and Yannick them and Delingy them, I'ma stop. Big up to everybody in Antigua. You want to play tune for tune with me? Come, you line up some tune, we'll go tune for tune. Me or you? You want to play it? Huh? You know what, too, me have a song for you. Since you want tune for tune, me have one song for you. Me have one for you. Me have one song for you. Huh? You want that one there? Me didn't even remember that tune here. The girl them a request Dubplate from Addies. Them say they want to hear Chronics and Stephen Marley. Jesus Christ. Hold on. Type it in, Alpha. Let me type it in. Type it in. This is the one you want, this one?
That
one, yeah?
Sun is shining weather is sweet.
That one.
King Addies make you wanna move. Your dancing feet, yeah. So to the rescue, King Addies sound.
Run them all.
Want you to know your
all the red chronics. Put your gun finger down here.
King Addies, well, sent by the king, watch them wondering how we fly down far.
People, you see that tune you know? I waited 2 years to get this dubplate from Junior Gang. I may play it tonight. All the rate Junior Gang as a bad artist, 2.5 years again. Press.
yeah, man.
May I play it tonight?
King Addies will be playing there, we are sure. In this world of calamity, dirty looks and grudges and jealousy. Sound boy we don't know about variety. Sound owner we abuse them authority. Go tell them King Addies we murder them slow. Danira sent to call me from the bush bungalow. When I watch it make a clear road, my voice no Figaro. Urge from the darkness with me big blunt and glow. I'm a them a slam and spectator get low. Boy coulda big like Bam Bam Bigalow. But soft trigger finger trigger.
Big up to the people who know you not give up in life. No time, no one here.
Yo, cause King Addies keeps playing on the road to Zion, man.
You know what to? Somebody request that one here. Poison Heart family, big up yourself. Stonewall, we have a war what? October? Big up yourself, Stonewall. Song women rate. So big up Stonewall, big up Poison Heart, big up Cannabis, big up Rasclat, Billy King Warrior, Rapture, the whole squad, everybody. Quest, all I DJ them out here, big up. Cause Antigua is a place where I love. I'm a rate all I selected them. Tenny, anyway you said in I world, big up yourself, me G. Me want to play that tune here as my final song. Be a citizen of dead. Don't even look for no more song. Go look a girl. Play that one here, quick and fast.
Not for them a early pace at us, but as the dance get longer, now some boy gonna get weaker. Oh gosh, them a one like I them run things. But it now go.
Jazzy, make sure the audio go out, you know.
Like
the world needs to hear this.
Welcome to Addies for your jerk. But the race is not for the sweet, neither for the strong.
We have a kids here, my money, come on, big
sound you can enjoy to the end. To me don't know, say, no sound boy, them are early.
Any Barry Salmon fans in the place?
And as the dance get low,
all the red Barry Salmon.
They're gonna get weaker. Addies put you on the pressure. Huh. Now let me explain to you. Addies is the hit on every corner. Gotta confess to you now.
Last one. Because we can't come to Antigua and not play this artist. Because their fans, them, will love King Addies, them, know the artist. You be excited to see. If we can't find that artist, matter of fact, not even I say it. Because I know them can't find them, but we not give them no blind.
I must fly them one, ten us off fly. Hey, whoa.
Ten us off.
Lordy, lordy, lordy. Lordy, 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 lordy. Lordy, lordy, lordy. Try, try.
Jesus Christ. Cheers. Revolution, big up.
Where them a do what they say, where them a try on them, try on them.
Have a good night, people.
Yo, people, big up King Addies, big up Bass Odyssey, big up One World. First time doing the clash and the turnout was lovely. People, let me just tell you now, August 22nd, look out for Dead this time. Look out for December the 12th, Sound Lion versus Exorcist. And do remember January 30th, Cannabis, Cheese Sevens. A lot of bad clash coming up in Antigua.
I remember this Thursday. Oi, ever clean. Ever clean. Gangster, drink till you're weak this Thursday.
Yeah, this Thursday.
Yeah, me say Mario Mondays close for a year. Are true?
Yeah, the finale gone where they with Governor. A big, big party that.
Yeah, Mario Mondays are fall back next year.
True.
Yeah, people, it was a wonderful clash. Big up to Ben.
Wagwan ENT.